your mouth is rag.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. This is for you.
I don't understand. Are you sick in the head?
No, sir, na for body the sickness day.
No, so you're telling me where to sit down now?
Now here you go sit down.
Why?
Your madam, your wife, grandma, she said now here be her seat. Make I reserve am for her. Now here she one day watch her own film today.
I don't understand. Who?
Finally, your wife now.
What are we watching?
We watch cartoon.
You or who?
All of us.
Watch cartoon?
Yes, sir. Hey, Mama, welcome. Mama, come pass. Mama, come. See your seat for you.
What is going on here?
Sit down. Mama, sit down. Now here you go day. You can't see the view where I carry the pillow.
Titi, since when did you become best with my mom?
Ah, madam, you don't tell. You don't tell her. Say me are you in a 5 or 6. Put your hand. You don't tell. Mama, sit down like a queen that you are. A queen and more. A queen and more. Put your hand for here. Nice one.
You're becoming a very good girl.
Now you train me. Thank you, ma. Mama, just relax. You're a queen. Sit down. Relax like a queen. Relax like a queen. A queen and more. A queen and more.
This way you're pampering me like this. Is everything all right?
Everything all right. Just rest your body. Rest your body.
You're becoming a very good girl.
Madam, now you train me. Thank you.
And I go feed to Omugo. Now my time to go Omugo. I beg you allow me. No be only you they go. Now my time to go Omugo. As you see me so, I feel do everything. Now my time to go Omugo. I go do everything, make you no worry. Now my time to go Omugo. My wife will allow me, no be only you go.
Titi! This girl now, eh? She must always stay close. Titi!
Yes, madam.
Madam, where have you been? I told you to always stay around. I am heavily pregnant and I cannot do anything.
I'm sorry, ma. No vex, I've been the shit. Sorry. I've been the toilet. They try wipe my bum bum before you come call.
You are very foolish.
Thank you, ma. Ma, what you want make I been do for you?
Give me that remote.
Sorry, say?
Sylvia, you are stupid. Come on, give me the remote.
Make I give you this remote. Sorry. Hey. Sorry, ma. If you still need this one, see I'm for them. Madam, no verse, no verse. Now this remote make you call me. I be get another thing we won't make I do for you.
Titi, you can go. That's why I called you. You can go now. Thank you. This, Titi, I say if I need you again, I will call you. Get out!
Okay. Mother, you should say you don't need any. In case you need pillow, make your day close. I need the pillow. Okay, ma.
I need you, you idiot. Come on, get out!
Sorry, ma. Sorry. Don't come now until I do again. Sorry, ma.
You're very foolish. Come back here!
Hey, Chineke, ma. I thought I said you go need something else. Now this one, see I'm here. Ma. Sorry, ma.
How did I even employ this useless girl? How did I employ you? Eh?
Sorry, ma.
Why are you stressing me? Just get out!
Okay, ma.
Fool.
Sorry.
Titi!
Ma!
Come here.
You can see you still needed something. Ma?
Remind me in the afternoon. I would love to eat noodles.
Hi. Madam, if I wait now make afternoon reach, you go tell me. Noodles no be waiting they had to cook. Or if you tell me now where you just call me why I come here, nah. You leave me, I come out finish, you can't call me back again.
I'm tired of this job. Because if you're tired, you're free to get out. I am not begging you to work for me.
Are they crazy?
I'm not begging you.
Person they tire for in Destiny Helper house. Go forbid. Are they here? If you won't make a day, they find you. In fact, a few days they find you.
Titi, get out.
Yes, ma'am.
I said,
Madam, waiting with that day. Sorry, make a day for you. Get it from there! Stand up from there! Sorry, make a. Sorry, ma. Oh, yeah, stand up.
don't drag me like that!
Sorry.
Are you stupid?
How would they do? I never deliver person picking before. Like this. Oh, yeah, stand up. Madam, sorry, no guess. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Don't hold my waist!
Hey, Jesus!
I will kill you now! I will kill you!
Die.
Don't hold me like that again!
I don't die.
Hold my waist!
Sorry. Sorry. No vest. No. Sorry. Sorry. Wait, make I carry my sleeve.
Titi, where are you going?
Sorry, I did here.
Hold my waist, the is coming!
Sorry, I did. Where they go? Sorry. We don't reach outside. I don't know. I hold her. Madam,
where's my husband?
Where is my husband? Your husband be like, no, be like say day for room. Wait, I they come.
Titi, go and call my husband.
I they come.
Go and call him!
Hold my waist, this girl, hold my waist, Jesus. I don't hold your waist. Oh, yeah, they go. Sorry. Hold me very well now, hold me. Jesus, person be this. Yeah. Madam, sorry. I dey hold your waist. Leave me alone. Hey, what are you doing? I dey hold am now, madam, na your waist I dey hold. Your hand dey pain me. I beg. No.
Just hold me.
Sorry, I dey hold your waist. Oh, yeah, mo dey go. Sorry.
Titi, go and call my husband. Go and call him. Go and call him.
And then now waiting for toxics now than today be treat me. I don't tire.
Come back here.
Hey, hold my waist. Which one you want?
Hold my waist.
Make I no call your guy.
Hold my waist. Hold my waist before I kill you.
Jesus, I don't die. Sorry, no vex. Oh yeah, they go. Sorry. Oh yeah, they go now. They go.
Titi, go and call my husband. Go.
Hey,
Go and call him. Go call him. Go and call my husband. Go and call my husband.
Make I don't spend for you, madam. Make I don't spend. Make you don't say you don't kill me now. Wait till me.
Stand up on there.
Make I faint. Which kind thing be this? I go on your way to go tell me say make I go call your husband. I go one go call you say make I come back on your way.
Titi, go and call my husband. My waist is spinning.
I beg you dey beat me. Let me give you this belly. I beg. Now woman
Come on my waist.
Now woman be you carry not be Jesus Christ.
Oh, this. What?
I don't die.
Titi, come back here. Titi, come back here. Come back here. I will kill you. Come back here.
Jesus, I don't die.
Hey! It don't happen.
Wetin happen?
I say it don't happen. It don't solve.
Kilo dey, wetin happen?
Oga wife don't born.
Yeah! You mean am?
Oga wife don't born. Miracle.
You
No dey tire Jesus. No dey tire Jesus. Miracle. You no dey tire Jesus. Miracle. You no dey tire Jesus.
Hey!
Sit down.
Omo, so like this lady, she don't born.
She don't born.
I'm happy for her.
Imagine me and you. See us. I am now the Oga. You are my wife. Don't you like this environment?
We just a dream big. But she no get.
Don't worry.
Empty pocket.
My wife, come and sit down. Let us.
If I was you, come on for here.
Enjoy this beautiful moment. Miracle.
They go your post.
They go. You post your husband.
They go your post. You don't talk finish. She don't finally born. Thank God. Hey. Hi, happy for madam.
Who tell you say I don't go fit to Omugo? Now my time to go Omugo. I beg you allow me.
Uju, I'm calling you.
What is it?
Uju, how dare you gossip? Going around telling people that I'm sleeping around in the village. And you know that it's not true.
Onyemeka, spare me those your lies. I have seen you gossiping with all the young girls in the market. Don't think I'm blind though. I am not blind.
Look, I talk to them because they are my customers. Unlike you that gossips every day with the men near the river. Is it not the same thing?
Me gossip. I share stories with them. Yeah? I just share stories with them. Don't worry. I've heard whispers of you and that young girl from the neighboring village.
Ridiculous. She's a distant cousin. And you know about it. Please, stop making stories. Had it been that you are not suspicious paranoid, we wouldn't have been in this mess.
I am suspicious and paranoid because you disappear every hour. I have had stories. You see, one day, I will catch you. They said every day is for a thief, but one day is for the owner. One day, you will see.
Look, if I want to cheat on you, you cannot block it. There's no way you can catch me. I'm working under the sun, Ray, to make sure that I put food on that table. That's why I talk every day, advertising our business. But look at you thinking the other way around.
Onye meta, if you if you don't stop messing around with all these young girls, we will continue to have that problem. You see this problem? It will never stop. We will continue to have it.
Hey,
don't just stop.
Uju, look at you.
Is that not
Angelika's voice? What voice? Angelika's voice.
Yes.
How could that be Angelika's voice? Do you think that every woman is like you? Just like that sounds like a mad woman. Look at you.
It's you and your entire generation that shouts like a madman. Look at you.
Uju, you are calling me a madman.
You are even worse than a madman.
Your husband.
You are worse than a madman. You are worse than a madman.
Remember that I feed the whole of your family. You are calling me a madman.
It's your duty.
Your husband.
You are married me into this house and you take care of me. Everyone will leave this back. Everyone, you are wasting my whole time.
Uju,
You are wasting my time, oh. Everyone will leave this bag. Yes, madness has started. See, by the time I finish dealing with you today, you will know that I'm not an ordinary woman.
Listen, there's only one reason I've not killed you.
Kill me.
Don't force me to commit murder in this compound.
Commit. That's what I'm waiting for. Commit murder. That's what I'm waiting for you to commit murder. What is it? No, don't put my.
why are you fighting your
You
wife
will
this
kill me
early
today.
morning?
Ask her.
Why are you fighting your wife this early morning?
Ask him. Ebube thunder. Leia.
I said ask you, you said ask me.
Ask him.
Why are you fighting your wife this early morning?
Ask her. Ask her.
I have never seen two of you fight. It has always been me and this stupid man.
Oh, will you shut up your mouth? Why must you talk? Eh? Why are you fighting?
Wait, let her release this bag. Release this bag.
Is it not obvious they are fighting over this bag? The question should be, what is in this bag that they are fighting for?
You are above this. Leave this bag alone.
Everyone, don't try me. Don't even dare me this after.
Why are you dragging full stop with your wife?
Are you okay? Who told you it's full stop? Did anybody mention full stop here now? I don't understand. Okay, it's like anywhere. Is there full stop here?
It's not okay, oh. You better tell this man, oh. I will kill him, oh. I will kill you, oh. Everyone, I will kill you, oh. With all your dick, I can kill you.
If your daughter comes in now and sees both of you fighting, how would she feel?
That is the bone of contention. That's my daughter. She has given birth.
What?
Yes, my daughter just gave birth.
Chidinma gave birth? Yes. This is good news now.
And you two are fighting over good news.
You should start preparing for the Omugo.
That Omugo you have just mentioned now is the bone of contention now. Yes! He swore that Mungabangoleka can never go to Omugo. Where has it happened?
What is it?
Please, allow your wife to go with these items. Your daughter's Omugo.
Is it my problem with you? Let me just break it down. Because that is the problem, that you will just poke your nose into what you don't know. You see, the main issue here, which is actually the bone of contention, like you said, is that Omugo, me, will be the one that will go for that Omugo.
If you go believe in Afia, no, come and go now.
No,
you will go.
Hey, Bono. Why do you want to go to Omugo when your wife is here?
Well, I think it will be better if you elders judge this case without hearing anything.
If you hear what this woman sitting opposite of me, if you hear what she did, I mean, if you get to hear the crime she committed, you will give me free ticket to go for this Omugo.
Let's hear it.
That's why we are here. Give us your reason.
Okay, very simple. My first daughter gave birth, and then she went for the Omugo. And my in-law gave her 500,000 naira
for both of us.
$500,000.
And then she came back. She didn't mention there was any money given. What she did was that she went and bought ladies' machine for herself in her name. The remaining 100,000 naira, she used it to go and buy all the Hollandis in the market, brought them back here, and was sampling them before me. The only thing that she managed to give me was one bottle of Snap.
What made me past is that even the Snap she bought was not even the original Snap. She went to the market and bought the cheapest of all the Snaps.
That's what she got me.
Mr. Ebon, it's not as if we are supporting what she did. We are not supporting her. But is that the reason why you want to go to Omugo?
I don't understand.
And what is it?
You know, if not that I know my kinsman very well, that I know that you are sound, I would have actually said that you are deaf. Because that is the impression you are giving me. How can you be asking that of all these things that I already said now, you still didn't hear that?
How are you sure that when you go there, they will give you the money? Okay,
let me tell you, listen to me. My daughter now gave birth to a bouncing baby boy.
And I know it from the innermost part of my heart that this my in-law now is going to double the money. Therefore, it is only this man here who is qualified to proceed for this Omugo, and not only my soul will be sure, but even our own will equally be sure that whatever thing that was given will come back here.
We have actually discussed, and you know, like I said earlier, we are not going to leave the tradition and do something else, because you know that water does not flow from up to down to up. Rather, it flows from up to down. So you are not going to any Omugo. Let your wife go to you know, go. I don't understand. Case closed. That is.
Don't understand.
Because as long as your wife is healthy and alive, she's in the better and in the right position to go to Omugo. Therefore, you have to wait.
I don't understand.
There's nothing you.
Who closed the case?
I am the one that closed the case.
How can you close the case that you?
In fact, we elders have closed the case. We the woman have closed the case.
Chapter closed.
Yeah. So. What is it?
Don't be it. Okay.
Mbia kainawa. Only yours. Wow.
What was that your friend even thinking?
He means exactly what he says. Just that Okonko knows how to bend the truth.
Which truth? In which tradition has a man ever gone for omugo? Eh?
The tradition now, where women collect everything from the in-law in the name of omugo. Something anybody can do. Only for now is someone takiriaru. So niji. Now, just 2 minutes, you don't finish the cooking. What is there?
And you're even supporting him. Well, what do I expect? I am not surprised. Or they call the boba, or they call the egolu. I am not surprised.
Whether you are surprised or not, everyone must go that omugo.
Really?
Yes.
Let me see how he will go for the omugo when his wife is still alive and healthy. Oh, I know why you want him to go for the omugo. So that you will enter his wife. Okay? Does he even know you're eyeing his wife? Does he know?
Shut up your mouth. Talk like a woman. How can I have an eye on my friend's wife? Huh? Just look at you saying like a madman. Or do you think that I'm a cheap slot like you? Do you think that I don't know what you're doing? I know what is going around. How you look across street to all men that comes around me. It's because I kept silent for peace to reign in this family. And you keep on shouting at me.
What do you mean? You must be very mad. Friends like you. Are they not just like you? Are they not the friends you're talking about? That goes around looking for widows and people's wives to sleep with. And you're... Don't worry. One day, just one day, evil will catch up with them. Nketa, they will do your job. Don't worry.
Do you realize that I'm your husband?
Husband, don't get out.
Huh? Uju, come back and send us. Come back.
Listen, I am very disappointed in you. You didn't even say anything at all. You just kept quiet. I told you that those men will not agree. Didn't I tell you?
My friend, calm down. I got your back. Don't you trust me again?
I trust you, but this is not what we planned. This is not what we discussed. You didn't do anything. I told you that I don't want my wife to go for this omugo. That's the whole thing. And you just sat there, you didn't say anything.
I know everything. Okay. Take this palm wine. When you get home, give it to your wife.
You know where? Is it that? Should I slap you so that your brain can reset? What is this now? I am telling you that I need my wife to stop everything concerning this omugo, and I don't want her to go. And you're telling me to carry palm wine and go and give to her.
Look, I put something inside this palm wine. Immediately your wife take it, she will start purging. She will put at least 1 week. She will be the one that will beg you. Say, Daddy or Papa Junior, go omugo and see our daughter, so that our daughter will not feel lonely.
Hold on, you talk too much. You put something inside.
Exactly.
Is it safe?
Hey, yes.
I don't want anybody to die.
Oh, no. She will not die. She will make her feel so weak. Even she will beg you to cook a night before you go.
Push for one whole week.
Hey! Just trust me. I didn't beg you. But say,
I feel do everything. Now my time to go, omugo.
It will never happen. Not in the eyes of the true elders of this land. It will not happen.
it has already happened, though. It has already happened. The gods of this land will intervene. Even if the elders bend the truth, the gods will not bend it.
Anyway, I trust Angoleka. I know what she can do. Instead of that your useless friend to go for this omugo, she will turn this whole land upside down. Your friend will not go for that omugo instead of her.
Uju, let's bet. If she allows that, let 2 of your legs bend.
Let us bet. If she goes for that omugo, this your useless thing will stop working.
Hey!
Yes! Let us bet.
Uju, my manhood.
Yeah.
Have I not been vindicated? So you want my manhood to die so that you follow all my friends? Hey! It is now I know your plans. Hey, Uju, are you sure of?
You are sure of what
are
you're saying?
Are you sure of?
You are sure of what you're saying. Let us bet. Are you afraid?
Hey!
Let us bet now.
Uju, why not say let this building fall, collapse?
This building will not fall because I live in this building. It will not fall. This is what will be destroyed. Let us bet.
You see why I'm saying that you are mad? You're out of your senses. This is the everything I have under the sky. You want my manhood to be useless? It is your own that will be useless.
Are you afraid? Oh, you want? Touch me.
Look at you.
Touch me. You are a man. Touch me.
I will take out my very beautiful wife. Packing and getting ready. The beautiful wife, the beautiful mother of my beautiful children. How are you doing today? Dikeh.
What is it?
Why are you like this? Why is it that you are hot-tempered?
Why are you here? What is it? Why? I don't need your praises. Have you come to drag Omugo back with me again? After the elders have told you not to do so.
When I married you, you were not hot-tempered. And all these years we have lived together, you are not hot-tempered. When did this one start? Somebody can no longer play with you.
Yeah? Tell me the reason you are here. As you can see, I am busy.
Well, I have come to say I am sorry. Yes, I am sorry for dragging this Omugo with you. I kept thinking about it and I said to myself, what the hell was wrong with me dragging Omugo with my wife? I looked at it again. Does it mean that I am very stupid or something?
Don't ask if you are stupid. You are stupid. You are even mightier than stupid as I'm looking at you.
It's okay.
You are stupid though.
And that is...
Thank God he is now maybe restoring your brain and mindset.
That is why I said I am sorry.
I don't need your sorry.
I know.
I've heard that.
No, you have to listen. Look at me. I have not come empty-handed. I have brought you this very original palm wine. And I want to give it to you for you to understand that I am actually sorry from the very depth of my heart.
Did I ask you for palm wine?
You don't need to ask me. I said
I don't need it. Take your palm wine. I don't need anything from you. I am busy packing my bags for Omugo tomorrow. Just leave me or let me be.
Listen, it is against our tradition for a husband to present a gift to the wife and the wife will reject it. It is not our tradition.
I will go against that tradition now.
You will not. Listen,
no, I must.
The elders spoke in your favor before because you presented a case that was related to Omugo, which is your area.
Must I drink my wine?
Well, I will keep it here. By the time you drink one cup from this, you will discover that this is the best palm wine you have drank all your life. Original. I'm sorry. Because of you, if you see where I went to buy this palm wine, you won't believe it. Just to say I'm sorry. The beautiful mother of my beautiful children. Oh, yeah, the little mother.
Tomorrow. So carry this one now, keep for your room. So that if she come tomorrow, we will collect add for this one. We collect from my bag, the add for this one.
I don't understand which one will remove add for here. You know, she not gonna notice.
I she wanted notice. The ones who don't they carry sense. Madam don't notice.
I'm saying no grandmothers them. You see, now I tell you something. See, every grandmothers, once they come on Omugo, they know when you remove one pieces of rice from pot. Then go no.
She no go no. She chop which? How she won't take me? Keep this one for your room first till she come.
Anyways, if you like, take am on my own. Be say, what happened to the own room? Why you looking for your own room?
You let me say, madam, they come my room once. But you there offline. I be off site. Nobody they come down your room.
It doesn't mean anything. I don't want to make anything in my room. Just carry this and go drop off.
Why you do like this? Go. Huh? If you say they carry woman, they come your room.
God forbid.
Will never even do wedding. You know they cheat on me.
Me cheat on you? If I cheat on you, in fact, make them bury me with my teeth. Why I go cheat on you?
They can't love her again where you dey and how beautiful you are. Even our girl wife, na very ugly woman where you dey. You are the most beautiful woman I've ever seen on earth.
You don't watch me.
You are the most beautiful woman on earth.
So I pass my.
You know they see her lips. Mother, you know they see how ugly madam be.
So I pass.
Now only you are they see. Now only you find pass her.
You used to guess most it's my. This way they talk now, just they do me for body. Come here, I say malaria, I want catch you.
No be malaria, Nigerian, na the hungry you that thing. Junior, don't they? Your body don't need Junior.
They cannot lie, they hungry.
No, I didn't even know. No, be.
You don't feel one or two.
So they go pursue us. We don't
go waste time now.
Wait, you know one woman we do the marriage again. If they pursue us, we will go see food stuff. Our marriage don't they? No, I not go put car. Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
There was a way you ran.
Yes, so I am watching. I'm having a running stomach.
All of a sudden, what did you eat?
I am suspecting that abacha we ate this afternoon.
No, it cannot be abacha.
Yes, because this is the second time I'm running to the toilet after eating that abacha.
But abacha stopped purging you a long time ago. Why will it start again?
Honestly, I have been thinking about it. But as I'm seeing it now, the thing has started purging me again.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And tomorrow you are going for Mugu.
Exactly.
This thing should better stop, oh.
No, it will stop. Before
night.
I
wouldn't want it to be said that my wife is purging along the road.
No, it will stop.
I was if
it didn't stop, I will even buy medicine and take this evening.
Yeah, because so come on, go. Okay. Also. You have not seen anything yet. It has all Mugo. After I ask 1 week, you will purge for 1 whole week. By the time you will recover, I have gone for your Mugo. All the things they keep have empty by half. Africa. You go around.
Is your mom not coming for the Omugo again? I thought she was supposed to be here yesterday.
Mike, the fact that she is not here means that she got delayed.
What can possibly delay her from coming? Is that more important than her grandchild? Is she having a cold feet?
Mike, please.
Let me ask you, did your mom delay when your elder sister gave birth to her child?
Please stop. Please. Just stop it. Do not bring my family into your frustration. If you don't want to carry the child, give him to me. Please.
And I remembered I didn't tell you I was tired of carrying my own child. This is the problem with you. I cannot even ask you a question in my own house. What is this?
What kind of question is that? Judging my mom's parental skills? Please give me my child. Give him to me. You just carried him for a few seconds. You're already complaining. My mother is having a running stomach. Are you satisfied now?
What kind of cheap excuse is that? That your mom is having a running stomach. That's why she didn't come for her own ground child. Omogo. Why? I'm out of here.
My time to go, Omogo, Dikeh. My wife will allow me. No be only you go there.
Where are you going with my bag?
I am going to the city for the Omugo.
Which Omugo?
This bag is the bag already packed for the Omugo. That's why I'm going with it.
Wait, oh. Ebono.
Eh?
So you didn't hear what the elders said about this Omugo issue? Haven't they resolved it?
They said you are not the one to go to the omugwo. Didn't you hear them?
What they said is that I cannot go for the omugwo when my wife is alive and healthy. But as it is now, you are only alive. You are not healthy. So I am helping you for the omugwo.
Did I ask for your help? Since I am not healthy, did I ask for your help?
You don't need to ask for my hair back. I can only do the right thing.
Give me my bag. Oh, yeah, hand it over. Yeah, beg. My sister. Ebono is the most wicked human being I have ever seen on earth. Can you imagine that Ebono took my omugwo bag and run straight to the city? Ebono is ebe go kwa omugwo.
And you let him? Or did you not know when he left?
Do you know me very well? How can I have allowed him? I've been purging since yesterday. That's the problem. So I couldn't get hold of him because I was purging.
What do you mean? Purging all of a sudden? What kind of purge is that one?
My sister Abacha. I ate Abacha. You know, for many years now, Abacha have been purging me. But for 1 year, the thing stopped. I don't know why I just ate it yesterday and the purging started all over again. I don't know.
Oh, child. Oh, sorry. And you need someone to stay with you. And he just took his bag and left you like that. Why?
Yeah. Uju, don't you know me again? I don't need anyone to take care of me. I will meet him in the city now. Okay, kwete na ona ma kwe gbo onu. O ga agbacha egbo onu gba egbo anya. O gbacha nke onu today, o gba nke anya. Just don't worry, leave him for me. Ozibo nu. I will be going. I'm just calling you to let you know that I need you to help me look after my goat. Just for today. Because when I get to the city today, Bono will surely return to this village tomorrow. Now, he will come back. That useless man.
Okay, no problems. I will. Just take care of yourself. Oh?
Thank you very much, one name. Dalo. Oh, thank you.
Your smile so sweet, a love that seems so true, but secret hid behind her eyes, a darkness he never knew. Whispers in the night, shadows of deceit, a heart once bound by love, now broken at her feet.
Listen, my wife just gave birth. I am not complaining, but the fact here is that I cannot leave her and the new child. My new baby, I cannot leave her. Just calm down. I cannot do anything to jeopardize our business. You should know that. I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
Why did you suddenly drop the call immediately you saw me? Are you hiding something from me?
Am I being interrogated?
Why are you being so defensive? Just because of a harmless question? Okay, can I make use of your phone? I want to make a call. Mine is upstairs.
You can go upstairs and get your phone, or rather, Titi can get it for you.
Mike, what's going on? What is this? I don't understand anything. Why that look on your face? Because you need to see the look on your face. Your face is looking like that of a child that stole a meat from the pot and the mother walked in. That's how your face is. What is going on?
You must be out of your senses.
Mike! Mike! Mike!
Grandpa. Mbombo. Grandpa. You are still here? Yes, now still active for work. I was thinking that by your bad behavior and clumsy attitude that you should have been fired by now. For where? Oga sef no get mind to sack CSO of this compound. If Oga try am, criminals go dominate this compound. Help me with the bag. Oh, no problem.
No be only you go, they go. I go cook.
Here, I don't want anybody to open my bag. Eh?
Papa, you're here.
But doctor, how are you?
I didn't know you were coming with Mama.
Where is the baby?
Good afternoon, sir.
Is this as if you have a new house help?
No, house help, Papa. I know be house help. I be professional cook. I just use my church mind. They help Madam. Madam, you call me.
Titi, just go. I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Where is Mama? She's not coming in.
Your mother is not here.
She's not here.
No, she didn't come with me.
Why?
Because she's actually not feeling okay. I decided to allow her. Let me just come.
She's still purging.
That's what I'm saying. Your mother, I don't know who asked her to go and eat abasha. Abasha. When she knows abasha is not always good in her stomach. And she even put her cow. That's what made it worse. She's still purging.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. But just forget about your mother. I am here now to start work. Where is the baby? Yeah, everything is okay.
Baba, it's okay. I'm going to
It's okay. And this is your houseboy. I hope no mom, not other such a mother. Even your mom, 2 bags can be here. Yeah, me grab me, even na America. Hey, omugwa. Hey, no omugwa mama.
Say, I no go fit to Omugo. Now my time to go Omugo. I beg you allow me, no be only you they go. Now my time to go Omugo. As you see me so, I feel do everything. Now my time to go Omugo. Do everything, make you no worry. Now my time to go my wife will allow me, no be only you go, they go. Now my time to go I go cook, I go wash, I go fit carry the baby. Okay now my time to go Stop me, make you not disturb me. Everything you they do, I go through times 2.
Papa said you could not make it. How are you feeling?
Don't mind him. Don't worry until I get to your house. I will tell you the whole thing. Yes. I'm already on my way. I'm over there. You can hear the sound of Keke that just picked me from the house.
Okay, see you.
Who?
Mama, she said she's on her way.
I don't understand. Who as your mother?
Yes.
On her way as she's coming here in person?
Yes, Papa. She's coming.
How is that possible? She's not like a project.
Apparently she's better.
How?
Okay, Keke man. I beg you better run, no. I don't understand you at all. Eh? How many hours am I going to spend on the road going to the park? And not tell me that, oh. Eh? No. See, I dey purge you. Make I tell you the truth. I dey purge you. I dey purge. And if the thing hold me, na trouble. Oh. If he come now, na trouble. You better run or speed up this keke. Let me go get to where I'm going. I don't talk to you. You are a lukewarm driver. Eh? You are so lukewarm on the steering. You cannot even drive very well. You are a lukewarm, you are a lukewarm. On the drive, you are not active for anything. Eh? That one concern you. If you want to be a man, be a man. Well, the shit don't come on. The shit don't come on. You go back. Oh. You go back. Make I find where you go shit. Okay, one shit. What will be your problem? I say one shit.
And the work see so I just jam this one. It just be like problem to me.
Okay, stop. Okay, stop me. I be what make I shit for your keke?
I beg, no shit for my
I go cheat, oh. I go cheat, oh. Okay, stop me.
Huh? Titi.
Kilode.
Since I was born till now that I am getting old, I never for my life see or hear say man they come from Mogo instead of the wife.
You don't say it today then?
Which universe you think say this man vanished from coming you?
As the matter take tire you now, so it take tire me. Eh? Well, I never see this kind of thing for my life before. But you should say the wife know they sick, or maybe she dey busy with farm work. You know these village people now. Maybe you.
I don't understand.
Eh? Because if not be say she dey sick or maybe she dey busy with farm work for village, what thing go carry the man come or do omugo? You don't hear say man they do omugo for this life.
I never hear.
Hey!
Why they laugh?
Why no go laugh? The thing no funny you.
It funny me one kind of.
Ha! But wait oh. Come be like say I dey think something now.
What do you think?
Something just enter my head now. You know say I smart well.
What be that way enter your head?
Ngongo.
Eh?
As he be saying that this man come do omugo for this house, he no go know anything about foodstuffs so. So my mind they tell me say, make I dey thief the foodstuffs wey dey this house they pack am somewhere.
Oh my God.
Before you know am now, you go don come up, you go use and go marry me.
What do you also? I go for why no name here. Wetin God no fit do, you know they exist at all.
I don't check am now. He balance now.
I'm telling you.
Because this man now, if you tell am say one paint of garri na 20,000, he go gree.
The idiot go pay.
He go bring money sharp.
I'm telling you.
Because he no know wetin dey
He
talk.
don't know anything.
We go tell am say one bag of rice na
150,000.
150,000. Hey! Hey!
You see me and you. We are like this.
Our brain dey connect.
They connect. You are my woman.
We are match made in
I swear to God.
We go sit there and say one tin of milk
na 10,000. The idiot will still pay.
He go bring money. Hey, now they go hear am.
They go hear am.
That song when they say
them go village.
They go village. They go really feel am for this house.
That die the day now.
They think say they get sense.
See, I tell you say, now this super food stuff, now I go use come pay your bed price. It don't dey happen.
Again, what size myself they do? Fast, I beg.
I bet that one na for them. Them no we go use and make I put 1 for 0. Make I put my 1 for.
They put.
You know say this thing, junior no get self-respect. As me and you they join body together like this. Junior head they do like this. You remember that thing with the dog say, give us, never lack. As you give me, you never lack.
I don't hear. Okay. Oh yeah, come and take.
Hey.
So you still there around. Since when they wait for you, they purge. Madam, you go double my money today.
Me double your
Since
money?
Since morning now, they here, they wait for you. No, say time now money.
Now me go charge you, say you be a bono.
Madam,
you be a bono for
trouble person
sharing.
like you since when I did
I dey tell you that me go charge you.
Like keep me for here, say they go
if not be say you be a bono for sharing, I for don't reach where they go before this.
No reach my mama age, eh? Now for do one today.
No, man, we do
one now.
I bet enter.
Say that my pack I dey carry, they go see how you do.
That one I
never say anything.
I beg you.
No wahala now.
Nonsense.
No problem.
I bet start keke me with.
Where you go again, madam? Madam, where you go again? Which kind of troublemaker be this? Now purge go kill you today. That my money where you dey, as you dey come out, I dey add money for you. Purge must kill you today. You go see her. No wahala.
Make you not disturb me. Make you not disturb me. Everything you they do, I go through and times two. Sure. Now my time to go. Everything I want, that to carry the money. You think say I know, then go give you money. You go carry the money, you go do anyhow. This time, lele, now my turn, lele. I go do as I like, I go do as I want. I don't get plans, waiting I go use and do. I don't get plans, waiting I go use and do. Who tell you say I no go fit to go? Now my time to go, I beg you allow me, no be only you they go. Now my time to go, as you see me so, I feel do everything. Only you go, they go. Oh my God. I go cook, I go wash, I go fit carry the baby. Okay now.
I'm glad Mama is coming. Because I was wondering how I would cope with you in terms of cooking.
I don't know why you are saying that your mother is coming. I don't understand. I am the one who is here. And I came prepared for this omugo. I'm telling you. Where is this your girl? Titi! Titi!
Yes, sir.
Come here.
Yes, sir.
You see that that bag, that sack, not my main bag. The sack. Go and bring it.
So you say the sack? I
say sack, yes. Yeah, yes. I don't want to call it the Ghana must go. Oh, I know that's
Ghana must go. Now that one I understand. How they come?
By the time I am done with you in this amugo, you will actually prefer I am the one coming for the amugo instead of your mother.
Are you going to stay here even though Mama?
Listen, I came with the oboroko, I came with the mangal, I came with all the ingredients required for, you know, this pepper soup they cook for women that just give birth. I came with everything. I don't understand. Kitty?
Sir?
Where are the things I brought for your move?
Inside the bag.
What is inside the bag? What I'm seeing here, let me take up.
Sir, you did here now.
What is there here? Give it there. What are you?
Papa.
hold on. Is that the way you operate? Where are they, Broko? The animal, the crayfish, the azu mangala, all the things I brought for the mogo that I packed inside this bag. Where are they? Or did you change the bag?
I don't change bag. I don't touch bag. Papa, you open this bag by yourself. This is your key. Nobody tampered with it. Hey!
How is it possible that nobody tampered with the bag?
So you carry empty carton, come on, move for your own picking. Ah, Papa, you wicked though.
No, you.
Empty carton she go chop.
How can you be? I'm telling you that what I have in this bag, what you packed was Oboroko.
Hey!
Azu mangala.
Where is it? See, I'm 90 carton.
I know, crayfish.
Madam, see, I'm
stop opening this that you are the one that brought all this things.
Nothing dey inside, no Oboroko dey inside. Grandpa, you get as it be oh.
Get as what to be?
You carry empty carton come your daughter Omugo.
When I came with Oboroko, Azu mangala, Anumpo, crayfish and
Mama, you're here. Mama, you're welcome.
How are you, my
Fine,
dear?
thank you. You're welcome.
You're looking good.
Kasoma.
Good afternoon. This is Titi. I remember.
Yes.
Ejimia.
You remember from where? Who tell you my name?
But what is it? What is wrong with you? Does it mean that this your wickedness has metamorphosed into being evil? How can you carry your smelling shit body and come to a house where there is a newborn baby? Do you want to contaminate this baby?
Ebono, you are a zombie.
Mwah.
Say you look zombie as big as you are. You for nothing. So you think you can come to my daughter's house, our daughter's house, and take my place? Eh? Ipeka to plan it. You didn't plan well. You didn't plan it with your own. You didn't plan it with your forefathers. So your plan is planless. Muna Agwagi.
Anyway, this woman.
Nonsense. You want to drag Omugo with me? Now,
listen to me. Listen, I don't have time for you. But I know it in the depth of my heart that by the time you run into the hospital like 10 times in 4 minutes, my daughter will have no other option than to bundle you and deposit you in a hospital bed. That's where you are going to stay.
You see you? You are so senseless. No single brain in your skull. Nothing. For nothing. So what made you think that I'm still sick? When I have spent 3 hours in this house without running to the toilet. Have you seen why I told you that there is nothing in your brain? Nonsense. You better go and pack your congo. You came here with and go back.
No, I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. In fact, you see this Omugo, as I've carried your dead body and come to this place that I am already in charge, we are going to do this Omugo together. I'm going to do better than you. If you stand on my way, I am going to crush you.
Crush him. You better pack your ngongo you came here with and go back to the village and take care of your business. Business.
I don't. You see those businesses? I have already left it. I am doing new business now. The business of Omugo.
From here.
Don't misbehave. Don't misbehave.
If I misbehave, you control your behavior.
Since when do 2 people start coming for Omugo? Grandfather and grandmother for that matter. Listen, if we needed 2 people here, you should have told me. I will invite my mother over. She will be very happy to be here.
Mike, can you stop yelling? My parents are downstairs.
Exactly my point. Exactly my point. It's supposed to be one of them, not the both of them. And listen, Emirad, this family is not in the right frame to harbor outsiders.
And whose fault is that? Whose fault is it that this family is not at peace? Whose fault?
Emira, you are the woman here. You have answered to that question, not me.
Well, my parents have the right to be here whenever they want to. And don't you ever, Mike, don't ever call my parents outsiders again. Don't you ever do that. Because they are the only people I have as family.
Emirad, in our distance, is your husband exactly?
You should have answers to that question.
Onyemeta? See how you, Onyemeta? Can't you give me little respect? Am I not your husband? Can't you be romantic for a minute? Don't you hear women calling their husband baby, sweet honey? Eh? If you call me honey or sweet, will you die? So what are you beginning to accuse me now?
Eh? Are you going out already? Eh? Without dropping the food, the money I asked you for food.
I don't have any money. Money the one you cooked yesterday. Eh? And I that things are very hard.
The one you finished with your friend yesterday. So when you were asking me, bring another portion, bring another portion, bring another portion, where did you think it was coming from? From my stomach?
You are not jealous because I'm eating my own money. I'm eating food in this house. Now you are not jealous.
Give me money.
Uju, money the one you have. Eh? And the food stuff in the kitchen, the remaining food stuff, I saw it that same yesterday. Stop disturbing me. After all, I won't even be too much hungry today. I'm late for meeting.
Is that all you have to say? Onyemeta! Is that all you have to say? Hey, Nsobwadro, go and come back. Jesse Akinota. Hey! So this is how marriage is. Had it been I knew earlier, I wouldn't have married. I would have remained in my father's house at least eat 3 times a day. Hi, Onyemeta. So you left this house without dropping money for food, but you go out there and give your money to these small girls. It's better you eat very well there, because if you come back into this house hungry, you will go to bed hungry. If you like, don't eat. Just go and be dashing all these small girls your money. Marriage, my fruit. Rubbish. Just go and come back. Yeah. Obule to akesi anudi. Nyabudi nya watu bantaya. Nya wako. Di mo. Lord Wale. Anyway, go and come back. Why am I even talking too much, say? I don't need to talk too much. Go and come back. It's me and you in this house. Rubbish, man. If you don't want to love, na payale. Asizanya putogo. Amaro mo obo ko ye weputa ko mo. No fia. Anyway, go and come back. Does your friend know anything about us?
No, he does not know. Did he say something?
Yes. He saw me when I was waiting. He even asked me to follow him. He offered me some money, but I refused. Yes.
You see that, my friend? But I trust you. I trust you. You are so sweet. Hey, I wish I can marry you. If not that you're already married, I've made you my second wife.
Second wife? Not even first.
But I did not see you before now. And even I see you before my wife, I would have married you. But now you are off limit because you are married. Chai! This one is enjoying, you know. This one is...
If you want to enjoy more.
I know now, money for hand, back for ground. Oh, yes, what is this? Uju! Uju, come back here! I thought you said there is no food for me in this house. You should not have kept it. Let me know who it will hurt most.
Nonsense.
Uju! Come and carry this food! I will provide this food, though. Uju! 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 Uju!
Take this, go and sun it for me. Oh.
Mama, you carry plenty grass come. Eh?
What is grass?
No,
Please, don't call it grass. So this is very powerful leaves.
okay, leave.
So important for a woman that has given birth.
Oh, I
Eh?
dey perceive.
It's a grass.
The sense, eh?
Brugaba, go and sun it for me.
Titi,
Yeah?
keep that thing down. I said keep it down. Listen, I need you to prepare the kitchen. I want to prepare something very special for my special daughter who just put to bed a bouncing baby boy. So prepare me the kitchen. I want to get busy with it. Get busy. Prepare the kitchen.
Yeah, okay.
Bia, Titi,
What?
are you not busy already? How can you be busy on top of busy? Please, take this thing to the sun like I said. Come back and pound pepper for me.
I just told you what you are going to be doing and you want to do something else. Keep that down. Keep it down. Prepare me the kitchen. Let me cook something for my daughter.
Mom, I don't confuse my
I
brain.
just told you what you are going to do.
I don't understand this one now.
Listen, if you disobey this instruction that I just give you now, I will make you lose your job. And if I make you lose your job, let me tell you, you are not going to get any other job anywhere. I am not bad. Get busy. Just show me. Just show me. Bring me the onion. Bring me the spice. Bring me all the things I need and show me where the bag of rice is. I want to.
Otito, Ejo, una dey confuse my brain for here. Mama say make I carry this thing go sun. I carry the grass, make I go sun. You come now say make I go prepare kitchen. Which one I want do?
I am the man of the house.
Whoa, I don't hear man of the house. Make I prepare kitchen.
Make you what?
Hey,
Titi, get busy. Titi get
this
ikwelo.
kind of confusion be this one. Which one I want do?
The man of the house is here telling you what you are going to do. Just do it. Just get busy.
The man of the house and they agree with you. Go and sun this leaf for me.
Get busy.
Titi get it.
What did happen now? Why did they do like now? You go crazy for you. What is going on? Tell me now.
Wọ́n fi mí lẹ̀ jàre, kí ló dé? I just tire for this house. I just tire. Leave me abeg, make no do what they do me. I don't tire for everybody for this house. I don't tire. Everybody just use me dey play totori for this house. Wetin happen sef? Wetin?
You still never answer my question. Now my woman, you be never still answer my question.
I just tire for this grandpa and grandma. Oh. I just tire for them. This one go come out now, send me message. The other one go from nowhere come. Tell me say make I first do her own. The other one go say no. Say I go first do his own. So then go dey battle who I go first do their own. I don't tire.
I know. Then they mad. No. Tell me, grandpa and grandma. Then they create who them be? Tell me who them be. They know say you na my fiancé. Are they mad?
What Benny song? See this one. Why you dey para? See as you dey para like say you go fit do anything. Okay, as I be your fiancé now, wetin you fit do? No, wetin you fit do now? May you lose your job.
Titi, I don't.
No, do show yourself now. Show yourself, say my fiancé.
Titi, I don't tell you, say, make you know the neglect. Make you know the neglect me. See, no the neglect go. If I want to stop doing this work now, I go do them today. The only thing where it go cost me now, say, I will just go and open you a very massive supermarket for GRA.
Ben, so shut up your mouth. What did they talk?
Sorry.
You never.
Titi, you are still here. No. See, I want to thank you. What are both of you discussing? Oga? Honestly, you need to hear the way I am praising you in this place. I was telling Titi how handsome you are, the man with the shortest heart on earth. Sir? Can you still remember what I told you the last time? Basa. That you are already qualified to be fired. And now you are trying to make it to be faster? I am still active. What is wrong with you? A young man like you who has a job will not do that job. And now you are preventing somebody else from doing her own? I can't violate the law. Ngongo? Sir? Ngongo Kanabo, sir. Who gave you the name? Your mama? Or you gave yourself? Now my grandfather would have said that they didn't go and create gift for me before I born. Hey.
Grandpa, what did they do you for eye?
Yeah.
This way they do like this.
It's actually good. You came on time. Titi on time.
Titi on time.
Just eat here. You take this.
Make I take and do it.
Continue. Just continue. I take it. Oh, it will better your hand.
What do you say make I give you? Make you do.
Side.
You know what I cook again? I don't prepare the kitchen.
No, I'm coming. Just cut this one.
You dey come?
Finish. The two. Cut.
Just don't say you want make I cook the food.
I don't want you to say, just cut this one now. Cut it. I'm coming. Come back.
So make I no cook the food.
Just cut. Now, two of them.
What did they do it for eye? You should say they see the door. Hey, you don't read for grandpa. You know they do eye like this. To say easy. You want make food for your pikin wey don born. Na ordinary onion na dey cut, they do eye like person wey wan blind, partial blindness. Whoa, never see anything. Grandma, see me in. They cook die.
Nonsense. Who made this food?
Nami, chef of the year. Give me my flowers.
And
they cook.
Is it not you?
Nami, I cook die.
You're not the one that cooked.
No, Nami cooker. Best cook. Did you put all the salt and pepper in this food?
Did you put anything that is different from what we put?
No. No ingredients.
Both of you should start eating this food.
Nami cook and when I finish cook, I taste and it's sweet well.
Yes, come and join. Come and start with
the food is sweet, right? Yes, very sweet. I taste that. Best cook of the year. Give me my gram. The food and it's sweet. Yes, give me my flowers.
Titi, eat. Oh yeah, sit down and eat. You and your grandpa.
Jesus, madam, you stand up for me.
Yes,
start eating the food.
You and your grandpa.
Eat the food before I slap you now. Come on, give me the food. The food is there. It's very sweet. It's very nice. Open your mouth.
We really here. Thank you.
You're very open your mouth. It's sweet. It's nice now. The food is nice. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Don't worry, we eat. Don't worry. I'm coming. I'm coming to dish a better food.
You're not enjoying it. It's sweet now. The food is life. Open your mouth. You can equally help your father. Mama, now you be that.
Now you. Titi, is the food you made making you sick?
No. No be the food though. I've been notice say I dey get small malaria. But I don't know say the malaria don't pack in. Family member come. It come worse now. Now what they do me? See my eye now. You know they my eye? You know they say
a pack enter your eyes. I see them. Titi, next time you will leave what I asked you to do another thing. You will not only be noticing small malaria that packed its family to your side, but you'll be noticing Ebola and the coronavirus that will pack their whole umuna, their whole kindred to come and meet you. By that time, you got takute ya concrete. You know? Titi, be warned.
You. So now this woman pack pepper, salt, plenty maggi pour for the food where I cook. But how she take do am? Titi, because he show me that I say when I dey cook that food, I don't come up for that kitchen. How she take put am? Hey! So this woman a witch. Nothing we want tell me. This woman a witch. And her pikin no. Let make she. Are you? Sorry, ma. No, I been there talk say the malaria. I go treat am. No be you.
Now waiting now. Why did I be small begin? Huh? See my food now. Where grandma give me now?
So you say?
I dey chop rice where grandma give me, food where sweet where grandma give me.
You dey chop food where grandma give you.
Hey!
Congo, your life don't finish.
Which one be say my life don't finish?
As you get like this, you be empty vessel where they waka.
How?
What? Congo, make I gist you.
Gist me.
That woman use magic. Pack plenty salt, plenty pepper. Come pour for the food where her oga say make I prepare for them.
No, which one be say they use magic? Which one be use magic, boil pepper and this one for inside food?
Congo, I dey tell you the truth. That woman na witch. I dey tell you.
You know go shut up your mouth before you go implicate yourself for this house. Which one be say the grandma na witch?
I don't ever lie give you before.
You don't dey lie. You don't dey lie now.
Hey, make I tell you. If I see witch, I dey know. If I see wizard, I dey know. Now my calling, I get them. I get them for my destiny. I dey easily dictate them. You see that woman? As I dey say, I'm now witch, and her own type of witchcraft. Now that's to bring the one where they fly for daylight. Oh, daylight, no be for night. I dey tell you, her own witchcraft get horn. She get horn like this. I dey tell you, see that woman. That kind of witchcraft now. That witchcraft will be say she dey chop people destiny. As you don't chop her food like this now, your destiny don't go.
Titi, what did I do you?
Just ready to be gate man till you die.
Titi,
because nothing dey your body again.
Titi, is it because I love you now I make it they do me like this? Which one be say they don't chop my destiny? The other day you just now you they tell me how this woman be witch, they fly up and down. Now they tell me say they don't chop my destiny. You know what I don't plan for this life with my destiny? I plan to be the next governor of this state, and they tell me now say person don't chop my destiny.
Can you, if you just listen to me, make I tell you something. You know say you know they believe me if I talk. Mo fail also. I know say we dey hear outside the talk. I won't go tell madam now say, make she dey careful before her mama go chop in pikin. That even baby where she born before you go chop am. Make she dey very careful.
Nana, I know say you don't decolo. You know they serious.
Me dey kolo.
How you go expect me to believe this way you talk?
Hey me.
I swear to God, you know well.
Hey.
You know well. Which one say in one job in Grand Brigade?
Hey.
I beg close your mouth. Beg your mouth no implicate you.
You no believe me.
I don't believe you.
So I will show you say I sabi detect witch if I see them.
I don't believe
and
you.
her own witchcraft now. You get honey, they fly for daylight. I go show you.
I could come back again.
No, I go show you. Just no. Go
make I go to
my own destiny now you dey chop.
No, but which one be destiny? Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. No, make I go chop right. Titi. Titi. Come.
Sir?
Go and boil me hot water. I want to drink hot tea with the bread left in the kitchen. You see here, I purged and everything in my stomach left. I'm even surprised that my intestine didn't even leave equally. So I want to drink tea. Yes, hot tea with the bread remaining in the kitchen. Just say milk. Hot water.
Okay.
Very fast.
Hot water.
Titi,
Ma?
take this money. Go and buy me a recharge card. Go and buy me a recharge card or something. Go and buy the recharge card. Let me call my village people and know how that do it.
Okay.
Run.
Titi, I just told you to go and boil hot water for me to drink tea. That's what I said.
Tea?
Ma?
Ntiti. Remember my promise. Just quietly and kindly go and buy me a recharge card.
Hot water is what I said.
Recharge card is what I said.
Oga, no verse. Make I just rush buy buy the recharge card. I dey come. If I come back, I go buy your hot water for you.
But what, sir?
Yes, ma.
Is it that you don't have any respect for your husband again?
Ekwetemo. Who is my husband?
You don't know your husband again?
You? The husband of family?
Yeah, him.
I have already dishusbanded you since. You are a horse monkey, not a husband. Remember?
Husband.
You're husbanding monkey, not me. Not Anglican. You are horsing monkey. You descended from the monkey kingdoms. Nothing more. You're not any human. Because if there is any sense of human in you, you wouldn't have been here. You are so shameless. The day you decided to come to Mugo in my state was the day I disbanded you. So, you are deleted. Nonsense. You're my husband in Arch. Husband in Arch. No, Chia. Nonsense.
By the time I am done with this woman, she will not be able to explain what hit her. But how come she's here? She was supposed to spend like 1 week purging and then another 1 week to recover. Or does it mean that Onyemete lied to me? Why on earth will even this girl choose her over me? Woman. Onyemete, let it not be that you lied to me, because even I will deal with you without minding that you're my friend. What? More about your husband, when I husband the one, you
Mmadụ ọnọkwa ya o.
Who is that?
Good morning. Good morning. Is Onyemete at home?
I don't know. I don't even care. He can be anywhere. I don't want to know.
Ujunwa, is that my concern? You should know where your husband is.
I said I don't know. He can be anywhere. I don't want to hear about Onyemeta now. Biko, please!
You don't even know what I want to say.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't want to know what you have. It's none of my business. Whatever you want to say, I don't care. I've respected you enough. Just be going. Just leave my house.
Are you trying to chase me out of my friend's house? In Achopum.
I said your friend is not around. Or if you go, when he comes back, you can come back. He is not around. Birds of the same feather that flock together. I don't blame you. Look at him. You have come to gossip him to me. Let me get your dirty, idiotic legs here. Now.
You always walking. Do you rest at all?
My dear, I rest too. But if I rest, my whole body will start aching me. So I'll look for something to do again to exercise my body.
That is good. Well, I am here because of our plan. You know now the plan to catch the person your husband is sitting with.
Are you still going on about that talking? Are you sure it will work?
It will work. It will work if your husband is cheating. You are sure, right?
I am very sure. If he is not cheating, why will he be going for meetings even when there is no meeting? And he will always go to visit Ebon, even when Ebon went for Omugo and left his wife behind. So, what do you want me to say? He is cheating.
Well, it's okay. I brought palm wine. Fresh one. My husband tapped it this morning. I brought it for you.
Let me get you something first.
Let me go myself. You sure? Know, I know everywhere in your house. I'm no longer a visitor. I'm no longer a visitor. Let me go. I'm getting myself.
You don't have rag anymore. It's your mouth now. Your mouth is rag.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. This is for you.
I don't understand. Are you sick in the head?
No, sir. Now for body, the sickness day.
No, so you're telling me where to sit down now?
Now here you go sit down.
Why?
Your madam, your wife, grandma, she said now here be her seat. Make her reserve and for her. Now here she one day watch her own film today.
I don't understand. Who?
Finally, your wife now.
What are we watching?
We watch cartoon.
You or who?
All of us.
Watch cartoon?
Yes, sir. Hey, Mama, welcome. Mama, come pass. Mama, come. See your seat for you.
What is going on here?
Sit down. Mama, sit down. Now here you go day. You come to see the view where I carry the pillow.
Titi, since when did you become best with my mom?
Ah, madam, you don't tell. You don't tell her. Say me and you na 5 or 6. Put your hand. You don't tell. Mama, sit down like a queen that you are. A queen and more. A queen and more. Put your hand for here. Nice one.
You're becoming a very good girl.
Now you train me. Thank you, ma. Mama, just relax. You're a queen. Sit down. Relax like a queen. Relax like a queen. A queen and more. A queen and more.
This way you are pampering me like this. Is everything all right?
Everything all right. Just rest your body. Rest your body.
You're becoming a very good girl.
Madam, now you train me. Thank you. Mama, you know they feel anything?
I'm okay.
She said she's okay. Can't you hear? Are you?
Sorry, sir.
Are you deaf?
Emma be no, sir. No verse. You dey okay, Mama?
I don't understand. What do you want? What do you want me to be doing, or what do you want anything to do? Huh?
Titi, she's fine. Just go.
Okay, ma be no. See the remote for the cartoon. You keep press. And they come. Mumbo.
Come see the tongue.
I'm telling you.
Yeah? No, were you actually the one that told her that I cannot sit here anymore? That you bought it?
Mama, I sure say you dey okay. Mama, what thing they scratch you?
Are you not the one that touched me now?
He dey scratch you.
Hey!
He dey scratch you. Hey! I talk am.
You talk what?
I talk am say Mama na witch. I talk am say she be witch. See am now. I touch you cocoyam, you begin to feel scratch. No only witches and wizards they feel scratch if cocoyam touch them.
Are you insane?
Sorry, ma.
Are you insane?
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
You're not even saying anything.
Farabalẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, torí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ má bínú.
Imagine a book.
Ma, I dey sure. And then na which she be? See as she dey look me now, my blood fit dry like this. Na which she be? See as she dey scratch the thing, they dey fear cocoyam for their coven. Yes, I dey sorry.
Titi, why do you think my mother is a witch?
Na because say when I been there outside, they try make I vomit. Now your mama come out from nowhere. No big say she come and she appear. She go appear from nowhere. I go they try make her cross check and balance as she take home. She go disappear. Go appear again. I no understand what thing they happen. She just appear like 3 times.
After vomiting the nonsense you made in the name of food, why won't you hallucinate?
Madam, this will not be hallucination, no. Leave English. Leave grammar for people who get them. This one not truth that they tell you. He pack salt and pepper put for food while I cook. I dey sure say I no put extra salt and pepper for that food. What she do?
And you think that my mother did it?
Yes, now
when she did not even enter the kitchen while we were cooking.
Now because say she be witch now. You know say for their coven they feed there anyway. Send thunder, send anything sendable.
Just shut up!
Sorry, ma.
Because of dirty mouth.
Sorry, ma.
You even had the guts to rub raw cocoyam on her skin. Have you lost it?
Now because say she be witch. I know so these witches that they fear raw cocoyam. Once they see am like this, they go they run. It they scatter their coven.
You are a very useless person.
Madam, no face. You know she say when I rub that cocoyam, you know see how she begin to scratch all over her body to show you say she be witch.
That is how we react on everybody's skin. It is cocoyam, Titi. Are you not?
That is how we react on everybody's skin. It is cocoyam, Titi. Okay, na truth you talk, oh. It dey burn person's skin, oh. But he still show me that he say na which she be. See, my conscience, I be my instinct, no dey fail me.
Hello?
I dey tell the speaker.
Just shut up.
Sorry, ma.
Hello.
Good afternoon, ma. My name is Ini Edo and I'm calling from the mortuary. Please, we have your mother's corpse with us and we want you people to come and identify to know if you will carry her.
My mother passed away and her corpse is with you. Please, listen, I don't have time for this rubbish. Don't call this line again. What nonsense.
Hey! I talk am.
Ha! She held up. Yay!
Madam, I hear something. Your mother corpse passed away. Now be say your mama no be witch again. No. Now ghost she be because ghost and witch they be the same.
Get out. Just get out.
Leave before I descend on you. Sorry, ma. Sorry. Hey, Mama, just pause am for there. I beg, I beg you, I beg.
You should know my Titi. Titi is a foolish girl. You are supposed to be used to her. Besides, she's hungry. You are aware of the nonsense she cooked with your father. After eating that food, she vomited it. Not even anything remained for the stomach. So by now, I know that hunger must have entered her brain. So you shouldn't mind her. Oh, sit down and rest. Yeah, well, Titi Onyaba. Okay, boy.
My stomach is sleeping badly.
Did you eat any food that is not good for your health? What is wrong?
I didn't eat anything. Only the rice I cooked yesterday. No other thing. I didn't eat it.
How is it going?
She just ran to the toilet.
She started purging?
She just ran to the toilet now.
Very good. Let's watch the next session.
Hey! How are you?
Oh, salam.
Hey! Better go to the hospital, look. Or if there is no money, you can go to Nursing Kechi's chemist and get some medication. Maka, this thing is getting out of hand, though. I want to be
Okay. I should be going now. No? I can't take this anymore. Let me just rush to Nkechi's chemist.
Hey, go, yeah. Yeah, back already. Hey, I forgot to take money.
I thought you've gone already.
How can I go when my friend is sick? So how are you now?
I'm fine.
Okay. How are you? I'm fine.
Would you?
Let me get some water.
What is happening here? Eh? I want you not to bring your friends here. I don't want to be looking for anything in this house. I don't marry your friends, so. Ha.
So, you were inside when I was shouting your name?
Yes, I went to get some water.
Water?
Yes, I wanted to drink some water.
Are you sure?
Yes. By the way, how are you feeling now? Is the stomach still aching you?
I'm all right, though. As I was going to the chemist, I met Mama Ifoma. She gave me some bitter cola, which I took, and it stopped immediately.
Oh, thank God, though. I need to be going now. So that I will not cook late for my husband. So that I don't go late. Let me see. Thank you.
call me, sir.
Titi, I want make I discuss something with you.
Okay, sir.
See, in this house, I want you to be helping only me. Only me as in only me, not my wife again.
Sorry, say?
I say, as you live for this house now, I no want make you to do anything for my wife again. I want you to concentrate on only me. Be helping just this man where they stand here. Can you do it? Can you do that? Do what I'm saying?
Ha. So this thing where they talk, I don't understand. You and your wife, they in competition.
It is not as if you are doing it for free. I know you people. Everything in your life is already monetized. If there is no money, you can't do anything. That is why I've already decided that I will pay you 100,000 naira if you do this. You can go in 100,000.
Yeah. 100,000 naira.
Do you have a card number? Or should I help you to prove one?
100,000 naira. Organize be the thing.
That's what I will give you.
No, your wife, she big past me. She big past me. I no fit.
I understand. Let me just increase it. She big past you. 150,000.
Yeah. Okay, I don't sweat for bomb like this.
I don't understand why.
I sweat. I never see that kind of money before.
But that is the money that I want to give you. The only thing you need to do is to concentrate on me. If my wife sends you on any message, tell her that you are coming. Just go. Don't do it.
Hey.
Eh?
I don't know why God go just carry wetin I no fit do. They give me. See better money.
You people should leave God. Forget about God for something wey no concern God. This is you.
Oga, I no fit do am. Na be the problem. Because I dey fear your wife.
Why? No, why? Why will you be afraid of my wife in this house and not afraid of me? Am I not the man of the house?
You know say na witch you marry. I mean, because she never chop you. She still dey pity you. Now which your wife be?
It is official. Very official now.
Wetin dey official again?
My daughter has a mad girl as a domestic staff. And you are the bad girl. Get out of my face. This one.
Sir, you no understand. They say your wife now witch.
Understand what my friend calling up is about Kogori. Even when they're telling you about money, you still talking nonsense.
I know fit. Na be the thing. Yeah,
come. 200,000. Final.
My life.
Don't even greet again.
My life gave me important.
Hey, I've been meaning to ask you something. Do you think you can ever cheat on your husband?
Hey. Would you? Me? No, never. I can never cheat on my husband. But you know I love my husband. And I love my marriage. I love my marriage too much. I don't like this question.
Oh, yes, I trust you now. I trust you. But at times, I catch myself suspecting that you are hiding something from me.
What? What am I hiding? How can you even think about that? How can you think about that? What am I hiding?
Just teasing. I don't like this question you asked. I don't like it. It's okay now. I was just teasing you. Yeah?
Oh, let's go.
Obio, my good friend, I know that we came a long way, but I have to tell you this. I don't want you to visit me in my house again.
What? Why would you say such a thing? Have I done anything to offend you?
It's about you. I know that you have been visiting all the while. As it is now, you are trying to corner my wife.
Onyemeti, you are mistaken. You know I can't do such a thing.
I hope so. I can't shake my feelings. Let's keep apart for now. Because had it been that woman's private part has meter and name, I've gone there and checked if whether your name is there, just to prove you innocent.
But take my word,
There's nothing going on between me and Uju, your wife. I promise you. Ogwefi. Obumma. And Hepekeji Magai Naso. Utwa Heri. And Heri over here. Ogwefi. Ogwefi. Obusikwa gị na-ekwu ihe a.
I want to tell you something.
Just tell me what they want me to cook for you. I will get it done immediately.
Nothing, Papa. I would not even want to try any of your cooking.
No, don't say that. That mistake was from your mother. Listen, that girl, she's right. Your mother is a witch.
Papa, that's a horrible thing to say about your wife.
Don't worry, I was just joking. So what is it you want to say to me? Go ahead.
Papa, you know it's Mom's right to be here for the Omogo. Not like the fact that you're here with her. It's her place.
I agree with you that it is her place. Even though nobody has approved it permanent. Things can change. I decided to come because your mother is a wicked woman. Oh, very wicked. You see that 1 million naira your husband is planning to give for the Omogo? If I fail to come, your mother will take that money and will not give me anything from it. That's why I came here. So what you're going to do for me as a good daughter is that you will collect the money from your husband and give it to me.
So what 1 million naira are you talking about?
The 1 million naira your husband is going to give. Yes, he actually had it one way or another. That your sister's husband, the last time your mom went for Mugo, that was exactly what your sister's husband gave. Your husband had it and is planning to replicate. He may do more. Yeah.
She gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. He's more than happy, oh. Very, very, very happy. He even gave us 500,000 naira. Please bring down your voice. So I didn't tell your father how much he gave to us. I only told him that he gave us money. So, package. Honestly. So, when are we expecting your own baby?
Soon, Mama, very soon. And if my wife gives birth to a baby boy, I will double what the goes never confirm.
Chinekeme, it's again. That will be 1 million naira. Hey, ya woge mangwa. Please, don't allow me waste your credit. Oh, later we will talk. Oh, hey, let me dance. Woge mangwa. 1 million. 5,000.
What's funny?
Baba, you will not kill somebody.
How?
It was a joke. That was a joke.
Joke?
Yes.
Are you actually telling me he's not going to give the 1 million naira?
No, he would not. If he would, I would have known by now.
Huh? It doesn't need you.
So, Papa?
That means I have to believe in that. We'll be facing tomorrow morning.
Eh? Papa, so you came to see me because of money? So it's because of money, Papa?
No, it's not just because of money. I came just to see you. I have to help you. But there are so many things I left undone in the village, and now that I'm not in the village, those things are suffering. Eh?
So those things, they're now more important than your own daughter. Is that what you're saying?
That's not what I'm saying.
I was kidding.
Good. So that means the money will come out eventually.
Papa, there is no money. He's not bringing any money.
I don't get plans. Waiting I go use them do. I don't get plans. Waiting I go use them do. Denge. Who tell you say I no go fit to Omugo? Denge, denge. Now my time to go Omugo. Denge. I beg you allow me.
It is your own mother's corpse that is in your mortuary.
Madam, we have done our every proper thing we should do, and from the look of things, you are a nest of kings. So please, ma, come and carry your corpse.
Okay, next time, please make your inquiries properly. Before you call people and give them this kind of information. My mother is right here in my house.
Your mother is there with you, ma?
Yes. She's in my house. Would you love to speak to her?
Titi!
Ha! If she says her mother is in the house with her, who then do we have in the mortuary? Or are we having mistake identity? This is not possible. This is not possible. Huh? Her mother is in the house. But her number, I got her number from the same phone. Let me call her again. It seems like she did not understand what I said. Let me call again. Hello, ma, please. Calm down. Let me explain to you. Why is this woman ending call on me like this now? Or does it mean she hates her mother? She doesn't even want me to explain to her that her mother is dead. Seems like I will take permission. Let me go and locate these people's house. I think that's what I will do.
Wetin make you go carry food stuff where I keep for that house without telling me? I can't go to find her.
Foodstuffs.
Uh-huh.
I don't understand. Who carry foodstuffs? I don't carry any foodstuffs, so Ngongo. What did they talk?
I know you like this kind of play. You don't get any person with me and get key to this house. You don't get anybody where get this bag apart from you. Why you go carry that food stuff without telling me?
Ngongo, you sure say never use foodstuffs? What would they package? Go they run matter outside with one girl?
Me?
Ngongo, I don't trust you.
Me? Carry food stuff where I want you to go take money, you go play love. Okay. Make thunder kill me.
Okay. If you not carry and go do love outside, how I take vanish? Because me and I not carry anything.
Now,
there you go.
Now you are the ass because now you get spare key to this house.
I don't carry any food.
Now, don't tell me say you still believe say that woman na spirit.
Ngongo, make I tell you, that woman no be witch again. Na ghost she be now. Ghost. Pure one, oh. I know they lie give you.
I no go understand you again, no.
I know they lie. That woman na ghost alone. I no go lie give you now.
Which one say that woman na ghost from which now to ghost? You go there very, very careful. What did they worry you now? Which one say the woman na ghost?
What when they say they can borrow kilo day? And they tell you something, you don't go believe me. What did they do yourself? Nothing why I tell you where they believe me. I just said that woman na ghost she be. They doubt me.
Titi, they go before Madam go think say me and you they talk anything here. Just they go.
They go.
They go, I beg. Which one say na from which now to ghost?
Make I they go.
They go.
No wahala. I just they pray for you because now you should go chop, no be me. Go.
Eh?
Not be the food stuff where you tell me say he disappear. Not be this.
I don't go understand you. Wait, if I make a confirm whether my baby this. Whether you don't talk to school baby. Which one? No.
You be like say you don't mad finish.
No be place where I cross now. Which one be say food stuff again?
Don't see am na be this side dey play with you. Oga come see this thing. Ogbeni, wetin be this? No be food stuff be this.
Obari ma o. What you happen?
How be you talk say the food stuff disappear? So wetin the food stuff now? Wetin appear dey do for there?
No, yeah, one boy no the food stuff. How did you go appear go here?
Listen, make I tell you. No, try yourself. Oh. No, you think say you smart. You see this game where you won't play, no try am with me. I know what you want to do. So you want carry these food stuffs now, go sell them, keep the money. Come tell me say you disappear. I resemble you small pikin.
See.
You think say you smart. I smart past you.
Titi, my love.
You know fit outsmart me. You go no try yourself.
Titi.
What me that?
Titi, I swear with my bolokos. You see this bolokos? I swear with this bolokos, no be me carry this thing. I know if you carry food stuff where I want you to go pay your price, go sell it now. I know if you try am.
If you like, swear with your blockus. No concern me. So wetin this food stuff? Wetin they do for here? Shebi you tell me say you disappear before. How you can't take appear for there?
I cross here, I don't see anything. Not you from where I go. I don't see anything.
I know wetin they worry. You know share? Wetin they do you? Which one say you don't see anything?
I don't lie for you before. I say I know the cross here, I don't see this food stuff.
Share carry and go keep. Carry and go keep before they go see you. Oh yeah, be going. Lay you down.
Listen, with the situation, I can never see you now. Like, I cannot come out and see you. Just understand. Guy, why are you acting like this? Just calm down. Give me some time. I will create out time and see you. Oh, let me call you back. I'll call you back.
I hope I'm not walking in at the wrong time.
Not at all, Mama. Mama, I am not cheating on your daughter, if that is why you asked.
But I didn't say so. If you're there, you better stop. Oh. Make sure you don't.
Mama, you are not there. Okay? I will be upstairs.
You better not there. Because you know how much I love my daughter. She's so dear to me. So I can't have you cheating on her.
Mama, I'm not cheating on her. Like I said, I'll be upstairs.
Wait, do not allow me make you uncomfortable in your house.
No, Mama, you're not making me uncomfortable. I have to go check up on my wife and my baby. Yeah, thank you.
Well, now.
All right, Papa. Titi, what is wrong with you?
Ghost! Hey, what kind are you?
What kind of stupid question is that? Titi! What are you doing with that mirror? I'm bending down like that!
Hey, I no catch him. Oga na ghost I dey find no. Ghost dey this house. Ghost dey waka for this house. I can't dey find am. I can't carry mirror. I catch him when he hang his leg for up and his head dey down. Before I can't catch you.
Are you calling me a ghost, Titi?
God forbid, why I go call you ghost? You don't be ghost now. I know say you never die, but I know say ghost dey this house with us, and the ghost dey waka. They do everything where we be human being they do. Now the ghost that they try reveal, but the ghost no one reveal himself.
Get
but
out.
I go catch him.
I said get out.
Hmm?
I said get out.
Sorry, sir. Make an appointment.
Titi, I said leave immediately.
Yes, sir.
Get out.
Hi. Make I just enter their room sharp sharp. This one means her grandpa dey outside they smoke. I just enter. Search sharp sharp. I feel see one or two. Hey. What if person catch me now? I go explain, tire, no evidence. Hi, Titi. This one come in like say it pass you. See, I go do like this. Ah, Mugbe. Oh. I beg, I just go my room. Okay, let me ring. Hello? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Who am I speaking with?
And a person they talk.
Who be somebody? If you don't want to tell me your name, I'll call this call.
Okay, wait. My name is Natiti. I be Madam Emerald Cook.
Who be Madam Emerald?
Madam Emerald we just born, and him mama and papa come do omugo for him. Madam Angore. Angore na him mama name.
Okay. Angolika's daughter that just gave birth.
Yes. Now she be that.
So, why are you calling me?
I dey call you make I confirm something. When una dey plan her burial arrangement.
Jesus! Angolika don't die?
She don't die.
You just said she is dead.
No, now you just talk say Madam Angolika died. You mean say she don't die?
Will you get off my phone or sister? Nyala.
Hello? Talk to me now. You mean say she don't die? Hello? Hi. She don't go down. But she just confirmed that she's dead, Abi. My ear they pain me.
I've finished dealing with betrayers. Now it's stupid people.
So what's the meaning of this? It has been too much of you in this house. What's the meaning of this?
I cannot believe this. I saw you and Ogechi together when I went to buy medicine. So you betrayed me with my friend. You are cheating on me with my friend.
You are mistaken me. I don't have anything to do with your friends.
Will you stop lying? Don't lie to me. I know what I saw. I saw both of you together. I know what I saw. Do you think I'm a child? It's a mama effect.
Watch your tongue. Are you sure that this purging did not make you to hallucinate?
You must be very mad. You must be very stupid. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot make me to believe that what I saw was not real. I saw both of you together.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, it's alright. Believe what you want. But I will not stand here watch you accusing me of what I did not know. Nonsense.
Is that all you have to say? Is that all you have to say? Hey, it's me and you in this house. Go and come back. It's me and you in this house. If you don't kill me, I'll kill you. Annual shark, idiot. Mama, not done with it, no?
Yes, my dear. It's my friend, Uju.
Auntie Uju, But it was just yesterday you left the village. She's already missing you.
You just said that someone from this house called and asked if I am dead.
What? Titi! Titi!
Wait, make I just understand something. You mean say you go to her phone, you collect number there, then call village?
Benny, I do am. I do am now.
Did you know you know like yourself?
I don't understand. What did they even worry you? Kí ló ń ṣe? What did they do you? Make I tell you, see these things what they do for this house, I dey try make I protect everybody, including you, me, everybody, Madam Oga. Yes, even Grandpa. Because if you do this woman na ghost, I confirm am. If she wan go back, she will carry person go. You don't know?
I don't understand though. Which one say she go? She go carry somebody go where?
Go back to the land of the dead now where she come from. You don't know that's what they do.
Who she come carry one?
Now me they ask. If you carry you, if you no take time, shebi they busy, they support am. No, now they play. Ha.
Titi. You know say I love you. You know say like this, I won't marry you, make you my wife. You know very well. And you know go good say I go there here. Where you know say they manage, gather money where I go take join marry you. I go there here, this your mouth go put you for trouble.
Hi. I don't know why you know they ever believe me. But make I tell you one thing. You see this is why they tell you now where you no one believe me. I dey pray. That time where that woman go back to the land of the dead. Make you no be my head, now she go carry. Make it be your head. Now that time you go understand say Titi they talk truth. Shegba. Now that time you go understand what they talk. I don't understand. Every time you go to say I dey lie. I go dey lie. I know what they talk. My spirit no they ever lie give me. Anything when my spirit tell me, it dey happen. Yes. That's why they born me. I get that one for hand. I get them as gift. Anything when my instinct tell me not true. It is how they lie. Kilo de. Why they look me like that? Why they look me happen?
Yeah, I don't want to make you enter trouble. I be waiting at the consider. I be waiting at the reason. Go, no go there now.
No go nowhere. Go again. He said they come there. Yes. Oh God, my these people. Are they come? Are they come?
Wait, oh. He sure say they never they call you from the land of the dead.
Mike, I don't understand. How can you just abandon my baby and be pressing your phone? What's all this?
I'm sorry, I was actually attending to a client.
You were attending to a client? Let me see. You were busy with a client?
Show you my phone?
Yes. Since you were busy with a client, I want to be sure that you were busy with a client. Let me see.
When did you start going through my phone?
We can start now. Go through mine while I go through yours. Here's mine. Take mine and give me yours, Mike. Mike, don't tell me you're about to sleep when I'm still talking to you. Mike. Mike, I am talking to you. You know what you're hiding?
I'm not hiding anything.
I heard there's no more 1 million naira, as you thought. The 1 million naira that made you take me to Mumma and run to the city. So we are no more 1 million naira after every.
You see, Amalika, I've already decided that I am leaving tomorrow. so that you can eat this omugo. Is it not this omugo that you want? Tomorrow, I am leaving it for you.
You're so senseless. You will go. You want to leave because you've learned there's nothing is coming out. What you bargained for, you cannot get. That's why you want to leave. You're not going anywhere. You will win the award of the Father of the Year through this ceremony.
You see, it took me listening to that Yoruba titi for me to finally know that you are a witch. It's not going to kill. I'm sure
Are you watching? Obia. Okay. The same person that made you leave me in the village and come to the city. Eh? Hey. In fact, I cannot stay in this room smelling the nonsense is coming out from your hole. Eh? And then nonsense. I can't share this room tonight with you. I'm leaving you. Nonsense. You will keep shitting. This is just the beginning. Shit, oh! Shit well. You want to say, hey, boy, Jen, Yoruba, oh? Yoruba is in a man. You want to say, hey, boy, you want to say. Where are you shouting? Eh? Okay. Okay, come and lie down and sleep.
Put in the bed for my room. You don't get room again.
Titi get room. My husband is purging. And I'm not in good terms with him. So I don't want to share that room with him and cha. Sorry, when I came in this room, you were already sleeping, so I didn't want to wake you.
Your husband is poor.
I found my son.
No worry, make her go parlor. You can enjoy.
Yeah, come.
Come enjoy. Now, wow. Hey. Ha. Lily. Ah. Oh no, this house, I'm not tired. Ogana, you. My mind don't fly now.
Titi.
Sir?
What are you doing here by this time of the night?
I can't sleep the way you take it sleep. The way it takes like that they sleep. No, so I want them like that sleep like this.
Titi, what's wrong with your room? Did anybody ask you out of your room?
Oga, me and you no say ghost dey this house. I don't know why you no wan use your spiritual eyes see am. Ghost dey this house. I just lie down for my room dey sleep make I rest. The next thing I turn, I see grandma. I see madam grandma lie down beside me. As she take her pee enter my room, I no know. I wan take explain give my village people say me and ghost wan sleep for the same room now. E no make sense. I go ask am wetin happen, wetin she dey find for my room. Then she tell me say her husband dey purge. Oga, how that one take consign me? I take consign me. I go ask am why you wan sleep for my room say your husband dey purge. She say na here she wan sleep. Now I leave the room for am comot.
Titi.
Sir?
I am not in the right frame of mind for this your nonsense now. Just go back to your room and sleep.
So you won't frame your mind hang for wall? And they tell you something, they talk say you won't frame your mind hang for wall.
Can you go inside your room and sleep? I was resting before you came here. Go inside.
Okay, not be me, you go send go my early grave. Make I lie down for here. I no go lie down with ghost.
Titi, stand up and go to your room now. I said stand up and go to your room.
Okay, I never reach like that.
Get up.
Go to your room.
Now go stay there. Okay, you want to say I don't care. Madam Grandma, I beg, no verse. I know say you be ghost. I know. I beg, now they beg you. No buy me. No carry me go land of the dead. No only me my family get. They don't get any other person, I beg. I don't know what you want from me, but I beg you. Anyhow, when I don't take offend you, no buy me. Forgive me. I beg.
Titi,
Ma?
please, can you kindly sleep? I want to rest. I want to sleep.
Okay, ma. Rest in peace. Okay.
What do you want to do?
Make I lie down for you.
Lie down where?
Just rest in peace for dear.
Okay.
I beg. That thing we want to go do am. Go do that thing, I beg. I think I'll beg you. That thing we want to do now, no do am, I beg. Only me, my family get, I beg. I beg. I never marry, I never born. I beg, no do that.
Oh, Titi, is that you? Milo, it's me. You are here.
I'm here. Do you need anything?
I don't know if you have any medicine that can stop punching. I don't know what is happening. I've been to the toilet like 10 times already this night. Yeah?
Okay, just hold on, let me check. Let me check. I think this should help.
I should drink all of them.
No. That's 2 is okay for the night. Oh yes.
But Milo, why are you here?
Everything is fine. I just want to have free time to myself. All to myself.
Yeah, look here. Let me just drink this so that I can sleep. And Milo, I also wish to tell you concerning that thing you said
about compensation for the people that came for the Omugo. Okay. I just want to let you know when the time comes that this one that is standing before you now is actually the head of the Omugo. Whatever thing that should be given to this one.
My wife says something about that. But you should know it's a joke. Yes, definitely. But that shouldn't be a problem. When I have that kind of money to spare, I'll definitely let you know. This should be between us, man to man.
Yeah. You are a good man. My in-law. Yes, even when you say it's a joke, I know you cannot be joking with something like that because this is a very serious business. That thing you said, don't forget. Yeah? Let me just take this lesson.
Body don't break up. This is not the best sleep when I don't sleep since this year. Hi. Wait. But grandma sleep. She sleep here last night now. Where she can go? How I take end up for you? I beg, don't do that! Hey, you should say I never die. You should say this woman never buy me. You should say I never turn ghost like her. Hey! He don't be, He don't be. I know they feel myself. Hey, Titi, oh. I think somebody was calling.
Give me my phone.
Mama?
No.
We are off to church. The baby is sleeping and I can't take him till after 2 months.
No, there's no problem. It's my grandchild. I will take care of him.
Thank you, Mama. His food is there. So once he wakes up, just help me and give him the food.
I will.
And tell Papa. Tell him not to leave until I return.
Why is he not following people to the church? What is he doing here? If not because he's lazy. I don't want to talk about him now. You people should go to church.
Mama,
my in-law,
Mama,
you both look good.
Take care, Mama. What is wrong with you? Madam, I say make I come tell you, say, I don't go, and my spirit you dey see for here, so, and I say make I tell you, say, no worry, I go dey pray for you. As I dey go back to the land of the spirit, I go dey pray for you. Yeah? I no wan make we dey two ghosts for this house. One wey dey don reach, make I just dey go. Later that one go dey come back.
What is wrong with this girl?
Wetin I dey try talk say be say, na two ghosts dey this house, but one now won't give up.
Titi, listen, I don't have time for this your drama. So shift. Let's go.
No vex. Emma Binu. Calm down. I know say na you be the original ghost. Me na the fake one. I beg. No show me say you be ghost. I beg. I know say you be ghost. No vex. I know say na me be the fake one, and na you be the real one. Na play I been dey play. I no go do am again. I beg. That your eye just hold her like that. No blinker, no shifter. No blinker. Leave her. I dey comot.
Where you go?
I dey go church, comot for road.
Church again, it's morning now.
No, when they ask me this question, I dey go church now, and I'm not gonna stop to go church. Oh, hi, we don't know what God do for me last night.
What did happen?
I almost spy last night.
Hey!
I dey tell you.
You need to go for this house?
I almost spy. I'm go by now, eh? If I don't, they prepare for my burial arrangement.
I reject it.
But my God too big.
Hey.
And my papa wey don't die, in spirit they guide me, they protect me. Now make I won't go church like this. Make I go collect extra powers, prayers, take back up my papa's spirit so they protect me. Before these people go buy me throw away. Oh. Hey. I beg go. I don't fish out.
Titi get conscious now. Eh? You sometimes when woman sympathy, sometimes. See today when me and you just get one small chance, make we run our normal routine. Not only today we get chance, make I carry one put for your zero, which you know. Eh? You just won't come out go church like that. You I think say as two people they do omugo for this, I say you not gonna set yourself to they do work. Eh?
Hey, now the main work starts. Yes, now the main work starts. Not be only physical work I they do now. I they do both spiritual work like this. Yes, I they do both spiritual work. Not be only physical work I they do like this. Oh,
spiritual problem don't they disturb me since. Yeah, I just go look you. I jump give no spiritual work. Listen, let's go inside.
Be like
word of God.
Make I use this Bible now scatter your head. You know the hear word. Don't touch me, don't try am. Touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm. You know they hear am. Won't make I break your head. And they tell me say I am the fight, the war, the indabosky of this house. And as you be like this, I they go collect extra powers like this. Whenever get name, whenever get name. Because I want back everywhere up against any demon where they terrorize this house. They won't touch me, they crazy. You they why yourself. Go try them again. And they talk with that thing sir almost by last night. You they talk about putting cap. No only cap is a be put. Try and ma break your head. If me now, break your head.
Make I put one for zero. Make I put one for zero.
Put inside your bread, idiot.
Make I carry my one, put inside my bread. Hey! Now so this word today. Hey! Ngongo, you have suffered. Hey! Now wow.
Are you sure it's safe to meet him?
Hey, my wife just left for church. We should be fine here.
I understand. And I will not stay too long. I don't want her to start suspecting me. I don't want you to.
Oh, I know. She will not suspect us. She said something yesterday, but being away from you is becoming unbearable.
I understand, but you have to be patient. I don't want her to find out anything about us. I don't want to.
Being patient means that I'm not longer having fun with you.
I'm not safe. I'm not safe. If she finds out anything about us,
she can't.
I don't want it.
We are no longer kids. Eh? Who will tell her?
Yeah, she's not safe. Please.
Look.
Please, I don't want to stay too long. Let's go away from here. Please, I don't want to.
What do you mean?
I don't want to.
But you promised that that I should bring you here. Huh? Nobody's at home. This is my home.
Please, I'm going. I'm not comfortable here. I'm going. If you do find out, hey, if you do find out.
Who will tell you truth? Who will tell you truth?
The walls have ears. Who will tell you in this open place? Please, I'm going here.
Madam, come back. Please be unto this house. Oga, I don't notice I'm saying. And you know good. So I won't make we pray. Make they pray. Today na Sunday, make we start prayer. Make we anoint the house. Make the ghost wey dey this house no carry anybody come out go land of the spirit if you want go.
Titi, as you can see, we are just coming back from the church, and you know what they do in church? Prayers. So we just prayed.
Okay. Even heaven talk and Bible talk and say, pray without ceasing. Pray every minute of your life.
It's not a bad idea, Titi. Yes, we need prayers in this house. Especially the one that has secret. Titi, carry on. Please pray for us.
Okay. Madam. Stand up. Madam, bring your hand. Mama, no worry. Just hold your hand. In Jesus' name. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father, we cover this house with the blood of Jesus. Father, everybody for this house, nobody go die young. Nobody go die untimely death in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Father, anybody wey don't die, go you start the waka do for this house. You no go one go rest in peace. Father, no let that person carry anybody wey they alive for this house. Go back to the land of the spirit if you want go. Any ghost wey they waka do for this house. Father, Lord, we shall not die. We shall live. We shall live and testify the goodness of the Lord. Father, we shall not die. We shall live. We shall live and testify the goodness of the Lord. In this life, Father, we shall not die. Any ghost where they this house, Father, may that ghost just go and rest in peace. Go and rest in peace. Go and rest in peace. Go and rest in peace in Jesus' name. Amen. I sanctify this house. I nullify this house. I nullify myself. Nobody go die. No, this ghost no go carry anybody come out. Where my holy water? Don't forget that from my room. You can go carry her. I need to anoint this house. Where are you going to?
I am going to stop that stupid girl.
Why?
She's praying. And prayer is exactly what we need in this house right now.
Listen, this is not prayers. She's only disturbing our child.
Our baby is sleeping. So I think it's only the guilty ones that are scared of prayers. Are you hiding something?
I don't get it. Henriette, what are you talking about? Your housemaid is downstairs constituting nuisance and you're here talking about what I don't know. What is wrong with you?
You haven't answered my question. Is there something you're hiding from me?
Listen, I don't like this. I don't like it. You know what? You're just stupid as your housemaid.
Which kind of woman baby this? The one where they pay me for now, this is Lumuroko and Amuroko. Lumuroko and Amuroko, where me and you go there? No, tell me where me and you go there. If Lumuroko and Amuroko. Now, you're talking from a good man. I'll go your babugi. Go and go your busa babu and I'll give you first. Okay, your busa babugi first. What be this? I am Mutawa. I am Mutawa. Mutawa is this one human being? Okay, but you don't okay, oh yeah, babu gina.
That prayer is meant for you, right?
How can the prayer be meant for me? Am I the one she thinks is a wish? Or the one she thinks is evil? The prayer cannot be for me.
She might think that I'm a witch, but it is because of the evil mind ruling around you.
Agrikaye is here. Today is Sunday. As somebody who is parading herself as a Christian mother, can you at least respect today and not fight your husband? Is it possible?
Why would I stop? No, why would I give you Sunday break in fighting you? Why will I separate my fight and divide it by days? I will be fighting you on daily basis because you started it all. I am just about to start and we are running. Don't get tired.
You see, listen, let me just tell you. You see, this marriage, I have already decided that I will leave it. And I'm going.
Onye?
Yes.
I say it. You must be here. Hey, you cannot go anywhere. Lie. By the way, how many times have you run to the toilet?
I don't understand.
Is your intestine still okay? You better start confessing to what you did.
Confess! I didn't do anything. I don't know what they're asking me to confess. I didn't do anything.
Okay. Oh.
I don't even know what I'm doing here with. Did you lock this door? Open this door.
When did you see me lock door? I didn't lock the door. Confess and the door will be open for you.
Open this door. Let me get out of this place. You're the one that locked the door.
Akoko.
Open the door. I was just anywhere.
Your evil deed locked that door.
Open this door.
If you confess it now, the door will open for you. That's just it.
Can you stop? Can you stop provoking me for nothing?
Okay, fine. Let me prove to you that I didn't lock the door. And it is your evil that locked it.
Open the door. Which kind of door?
This door is just that when evil man comes, it will jam. When the saints approach, the door will open for you.
Of what?
Watch. You are evil. Go and confess it.
Father, pack all of them, come outside. Pack all of them, come outside. Anywhere where they come from, whether they come from village, whether they come from village square, whether they come from east, Father, package all of them. Send them back away from home. Father, make all of them catch fire. Any demon for this house, every demon for this house, whatever them there, whether where they walk out, whether where they momo, whether where they worry person for night, Father, package all of them. Make you burn them to ashes. Make them catch fire in the mighty name of Jesus. Make them catch.
Super amen. Ha! Yeah. Hey, where are you going to?
I don't pray finish.
Hey, no. Hey, prayer is about to start and you are getting tired. No, we are about to start the prayer. I came to join you. Eh?
No, Mama, I don't pray finish. If he continue from where I remain.
No, I don't feel. I can never feel. Come, let us pray. Eh?
No, Mama, don't worry. I don't pray finish. Make I go come out my church clothes. I say if you continue from where I remain. I remain the prayer. Continue. They come. Zizi, ma.
Come. Your Bible and your...
Mama, you better.
I move on.
If you continue, I don't finish.
My in-law. My in-law. You know you have to tell your wife what you're passing through.
Mama, she will kill me.
My daughter, I know, is not a murderer.
Mama, you don't understand. Not after she warned me. I don't know what to do, Mama. I'm just confused.
I have told you what to do. Sit her down. Tell her everything. My daughter, I know, will understand you.
Mama, I have really messed up. I have messed this family up. Mama, I don't know if she finds out if she will ever trust me again. My problem here is the way I'm pushing her out.
That's the bad part of it. The way you are pushing her out. But whatever, you are a man.
Exactly my point, Mama. Mama, I'll just find a way to sort this problem. Because I wouldn't want her to find out. If she finds out, it's a very big problem. Very big one.
Have you found any way to solve it?
Mama, not at all. But I'm working out on something. I pray God it works.
Hey! Titi, what are we eating today?
Grandma, na you.
Na you.
Grandma, na this is what you do. Make me the talk say you be. You say you be fine woman. Fine woman.
Titi, what are we eating today?
Titi, what are we eating? Bishop. Bishop. Mama, you don't know the latest update. What in this house? Everything don't finish. So you go just give me money. Make I rush, go market, go buy foodstuffs.
What?
Not in the house again.
You mean all the foodstuffs I came with have finished?
Now you they talk like this. You talk like say no say people wait for this house. Plenty past food where they this kitchen. You don't forget say people where this house would they chop like people swallow frog. Like say we swallow frog. Everybody they chop. Especially your husband. That your husband. Hey! That one they chop like say he swallow cow. They chop like cow. Like how I want to talk him. Like pig.
Like you don't work him shut up.
Sorry.
Now call you.
He they chop where?
So you even notice how he's eating.
He they chop like elephants. Hey!
Titi, shut up, because let me go to the market and buy the foodstuffs. Start boiling rice immediately.
So you say?
Go and boil rice.
You don't say another year what they talk. I said nothing there this kitchen, ma. Nothing there, everything don't clear. Nothing there, even rice, you know they. So your husband they chop like cow. You don't still hear me. You say make you go. Nothing there again.
No problem. I will buy all.
Just give me money, ma, go buy. No stress.
I am not giving you. If I give you money to go to the market, you will start to enter from one shop to another. Before you will come back here, hunger will kill me. So I will not take it. No, don't. I will be faster than you.
You go be faster than me.
Ofuma. No?
You dey fly, abi you dey vanish.
Anyhow you talk and it will happen now. Just wait for me. Under 20 minutes, I'm back.
I go be faster than you. Under 20 minutes. I don't... This woman, she go fly, abi she won't vanish. Mike, where are you going to?
I need to pick up something. I'll be back.
Today is Sunday. She won't say you're going to work. So I want to know, where are you going?
Emerald, are you now monitoring my movement in my house?
I am your wife. I have every right to know your whereabouts.
I need to pick up something. I'll be back shortly.
You need to pick up something. This something doesn't have a name. Who are you fooling?
Emerald, I just need to go. I don't have time to exchange words with you. Let me ask you, don't you get tired?
Tired, you see? You are my husband and I can never, will never get tired of you. Neither should you. Are you tired of me?
Don't twist my word.
You haven't answered my question.
I'll be back shortly.
Mike, I am still talking to you.
I'll be back.
Mike! Mike!
You are here.
Papa?
Yeah?
Are you still living today?
Of course I have to leave. I told you. You know, the people I have small businesses I'm running with in the village, they are already missing me and they are calling. So I really need to go.
Okay.
Yeah?
I'll miss you.
I'm missing you already. You know, I noticed something. That you and your husband have not been getting on well. Is this something you want to discuss with me?
Papa, I'm really sorry if it's too much on you.
No, it is not too much. I just wanted to get involved like a father. I am married. I have experience. I'm married for years. And I know that sometimes men can be passing through some moments that they wouldn't want to disclose to anybody, even their wives.
Papa, this one is different. The distance is too much.
He will come around. Just what you need to do is to give him time. Give him time. He's a good man. He's not the young man I've stayed with.
Yeah, but it's over a month and it's getting worse.
Give him time. Trust me on this. He will come around. It is very obvious you are misunderstanding him. Stop misunderstanding your husband. He is your husband.
Like you, Mama. Are you two not too old to be having issues every now and then?
You don't know my banana.
You don't want to discuss it.
My titi, where all those items come from?
Well, you think they ask you this question, I beg. I don't understand. That madam grandma, she won't go market. I can't tell her say stuff no day again. She goes okay, make she come buy everything because I don't package this one come out. You know
Now my titi be this. Now titi where I won't pay her bed price be this one. No be that former one. Where be they cast and buy Holy Ghost fire, they cast demon.
Well, if they talk too much, go carry this thing, may carry go backyard before person go see us.
Okay, make I go inform that woman where would they give those other items and make she there.
Wetin dey worry you? E be like you don't know who you want settle down with. My name na Titi. I dey always dey ahead of anybody.
See,
I don't really call am now. She dey away. Go carry this thing more dey go.
Last where
Abeg,
the nine yard for
go back and make you go. She dey come. Fast now, no time.
You see this family? I could use their food stuff, pay your bread price. Okay. Titi.
Grandpa dey come.
Oh, see, what you do?
Where that stupid man dey go?
They come here, won't come smoke. I don't know what to.
That ugly man dey smoke?
You see they smoke, I don't know what they do.
That stupid man would be a what baby.
Hey, good afternoon, ma. Good evening.
Mama,
Good night. Good morning.
Good evening. Good
morning.
Yes, everything is good and beautiful. So what are you people
How
carrying?
is the family, ma?
It's the family.
I said, what are you carrying in these bags?
Okay. Yes, na full stuff. Oh, madam, mama, see, we won't carry am go our madam for the good things wey she don dey do for us.
We want surprise.
Yes, you see this our madam.
She dey try.
Na better person. You see this our madam.
She be angel in human form.
She go live longer than Methuselah for Bible.
I dey tell you.
Believe me.
She too good.
He too good.
Plan make we buy am foodstuffs. Make we take
surprise am.
You know say una hard economy we dey now.
Yes.
This country hard. Anybody wey give you foodstuff, that person like you.
Yes, o.
Person like you well.
Yes.
So as we say we too like our madam, because we buy and go give her.
Yes.
Una do well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good children.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderfully.
Yes.
I appreciate you.
Thank you. Don't mess up.
Thank you, ma.
Aya, take it to the kitchen.
Okay. Darling.
Aya, I said she should take it inside. Give it to her. I said you should give those bags to her to take it to the kitchen. Titi?
Ma?
What you call her boy?
Okay, you mean you should give
She called the two of them to the kitchen.
Mama, I don't think stressing woman, you know, good enough. I prefer to suffer the suffer.
He's a gentleman.
Yes, let me just.
Oh yeah, Titi, I said you should take these two bags to the kitchen. Meanwhile, I will relay your message to the madam.
Okay.
I will tell her to, bless you both.
Okay.
Yeah, for
I
buying.
don't think that would be necessary. Since you already cut us on our way, let's just forget it.
Yeah.
I said you should take it to the kitchen. That former.
Yes, ma.
Yeah. Enter.
Okay.
To the kitchen.
Oh, don't tell me if I wash this floor. I think I go. Let me just start. Maybe this pipe, you don't default. Let me just.
Are you not done packing? Or are you still waiting for food?
America, what do you want again?
I want you to confess to what you did.
Confess to what? What did I do?
You don't know what you did?
I'm asking you.
So why was I purging?
I don't understand. I don't understand. Are you telling me you don't know why you were purging? You know yourself that abacha doesn't sit down well with you. And you decided to eat abacha because it just gives you temporal relief. You thought everything is okay. You went and ate abacha. Not only did you eat abacha, you ate the porridge part of abacha that you invented yourself. And they started purging you and you're here telling asking me, why was I purging? How is that my business? How?
So you think it was abacha that made me purge?
What else? The porridge abacha that you invented.
Was it not after I drank the palm wine you gave to me? Huh?
America, what are you insinuating? I don't understand. No, why are you bringing me into this? Why do you want to accuse me? For what?
Accuse?
Yes! Why?
Accusing? Okay, I'm accusing you. You are evil. But I bet you will eat your poison with your mouth. Allow me to pass.
Why is this woman sounding as if she has finally come to understand what happened? No, there's no way she can know. Useless Amuleka. She can't.
You're back. How was it? Did you see her?
Who are you talking about?
The person you went to meet. Did you make love to her? Is she better? Is she more beautiful? Is she sweeter?
Emirad, you're making a scene here. Your parents are here.
I don't
Calm
care.
down.
I do not care. I do not care because you are not the same man I married. You're not.
Emirad, I am the man you married.
Who is she?
Who are you talking
Will you
about?
cut the crap? You know what I'm saying. Just say the truth already. It is written all over your face, so say it out.
Emirad, there's no woman anywhere. You are the only woman in my life. Okay?
You're a bloody liar.
I just
Yoshim, don't you dare touch me. Just get out. You stink. Get out.
You're coming!
My guy, I am sorry for the way I yelled at you and accused you of cheating. I shouldn't have done that, I'm sorry.
I understand. But I'm sorry. I was never sincere to you. Once again, I'm really sorry. I did a bad business deal. A business that might cost us everything, including this house.
What? Wait, what are you saying? What business are you talking about? Is it the business that I explicitly told you not to invest in? How could you not listen to my advice? How could you?
Just calm down. That is why I keep saying I'm sorry. I know you advised me. I know you told me, you talked to me about it. I am sorry I didn't listen to you, but I never knew it's going to be this way. I thought it's something I could handle. But I'm sorry, I really messed up. I made a terrible mistake.
A terrible mistake, you say? This is more than a terrible mistake. You've jeopardized our entire future. How could you? Why?
Emerald, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know it would end up this way. I'm sorry.
But you've ruined everything. What are you sorry about? Oh, please, just stay away. I just want to think. I can't even look at you. Just go. Go.
I'm sorry.
Leave me alone. Because you notice and say madam don dey cry since. I don't know wetin dey happen. As person wey born new pikin, she suppose dey happy na as e be say na her first issue. But she no dey happy for my eye. She just dey cry up and down like small pikin.
You mean am?
You never notice am?
You know say me I no dey operate inside that place. My operation na outside na exterior and this very interior. So that area I have no idea. Huh? I mean because of the pikin wey she born make am she dey behave like that.
I don't understand. Ha! They tell say if person born she go dey cry.
I don't know.
My mind dey tell me say she dey get issue with oga. Because I hear as they get their gbas gbos. They come dey shout for each other, they shout for each other, they shout for each other. You see, if you do, I say, here.
You know what? We go make promise.
Which promise?
No crying is allowed in this place.
What's it with us?
We go just be very happy now.
Well, that's supposed to be now. We just be happy.
I'm telling you.
They enjoy ourselves. We just laugh.
Now my titi be this.
They do silly things. Ourselves happy.
Now people don't see how you miss it.
They do plenty baba things.
I'm telling you.
Who will they give us joy? That's the thing. Even ask us waiting they make us get joy like this.
We go just be happy.
Just go tell the person say, because say we die alive.
We go even be happy like person where 1 billion hits in account. I'm telling you.
No get that side. Which kind of be that one? You don't say 1 billion for before.
For now for my dream. No.
I mean you happy now. What I know.
Titi, can I?
You know they now. Sorrow.
Oh, sorry. And the reason why we go inside, make I put 1 for your 0.
See bad guy.
Huh?
If I blow you, if I know you, if I know you, that cap where you won't put down, that cap go just go bend. Every time you go, the fine way you go put cap. You the shame. You don't marry me.
I did gather food stuff where I go take pay your bread price.
You know the shame. They gather food stuffs because I agreed to marry you. You know so na thief you the thief am. This they thief my thing. They thief my thing. If you go let her marry me, which way you go come enjoy?
I will continue where I stop.
No be decide by that time I go don finish.
You know this thing. Hold where God dig. You know they finish you. Yeah, this one na God dig am by himself. You know go fit finish.
You no go fit finish. What if it's lack? Mama, what a deed to me is what no one has ever done to me.
My daughter, the Bible says na okenye na-eji ụkwụ achụ ife danye na mmiri is our Igbo adage. An old person looks for something that is lost into the river with his or her leg. You know, you children of this day, you don't take things the way we take it. The truth of the matter is, there is no home without fault. But in a time like this, the only thing you have to remember is the first love you both shared together.
You're right, Mama. I sometimes forget that amidst the small disagreement. You're right.
Disagreement in family is normal. Misunderstanding, it is a normal situation. But what matters is how you handle it. And I will advise you to always apply patience and understanding.
Thank you, Mama. I will keep that in mind.
That's my daughter.
Thank you. By the way, where is Titi? Titi! Titi!
Yes, Madam.
Yes, Madam. Titi, I need you to help me do the cooking. I have something else to do. That will not be problem now. Now my work will be that.
Titi,
Ma?
I must appreciate you. You are such a hardworking young lady.
Wow.
And I'm happy you are part of this family.
Mama, you praise me today. This was sweet me. Thank you very much, Mama. I want to tell you, say I happy side here. I happy well. No worry. I go take care of your picking. I go take care of this house. I go take care of everybody for this house.
I see. I see. And you know, say you don't come up. You are now growing into a woman. I am sure that very soon invitation will be, given to us for the marriage.
Never day, Mama.
No, you go there.
Never did.
That's why I want to just give you this piece of advice. Yes. Titi,
Ma?
There is no home without fault. But with love and understanding, we can make it a joyful home.
This one we talk is still Tasha. But this one we going to advise me, Mama. What did they happen? Your son won't marry me. She said you can go now. Sorry, ma. Thank you. My guy, I am sorry the way I lashed out on you earlier today. I'm sorry. I'm not supposed to, no matter what.
Emerald, I am the one who is supposed to be apologizing, not you. I am sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I mean, we are not supposed to let anything come in between us. We will pull through together.
You are right. I am really sorry for not listening to you, for not taking your advice, for not... I just want to say I'm sorry for everything. Henceforth, I will always listen to whatever you say. That's my wife.
That's the spirit.
I just want you to know I love you.
Congratulations to both of you. I'm sorry. With love and understanding, you will right every wrong.
So sits me where Madam Oga, I happy as soon as I don't reconcile. Because for this life, waiting they keep family going communication and forgiveness. So I happy as soon as they reconcile.
Thank you, Titi. Mama, thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Hi. Love sweet too. Says Madam and Oga just they hug. They hug, they are meant, they kiss. God well. Hi. But they just they do me somehow. When they do me like say make I just talk to Madam. Love sweet. What happen?
What do you come make you dey laugh like this?
I just remember how Madam and Oga just dey smoosh. They enjoy themselves. They don't amend after small quarrel. They just amend. I just dey watch.
They just
dey shout God when. Love sweet too.
So they just dey more like say they just make themselves today.
They two love each other.
You mean now?
You see where they play like say they just fall in love today. Their love no dey ever fade.
Yeah.
Yes.
In that case, if you use me to experiment, make I feel the way they feel when they play that love.
If you hear me, I will choke you this thing. Don't hear me. Person no fit play small play give you.
Nah,
body go just dey sweet you.
Now they ask you now.
Small time now your bum boy go begin stand up.
Junior now.
Every time body dey sweet you.
I'm not with the love of my life again. Person no you do follow you do a little small hide and seek.
But leave me, I no dey for that one. I still dey imagine Madam and Oga.
Just in that case, I want you to use me to do that.
Come up for here. Person no fit play me. Ma!
Ndongo. Grandma. Titi.
Ma?
I want both of you to tell your Oga and Madam what you have been up to in this house. Just say it.
I dey cook now, I dey wash, I dey do plenty things. Now my work with that. Give me my flowers. The best chef in the world.
Same here. Me, I'm always on gate. I focus on my job.
Yes.
I'm always active on that gate.
Determined.
As a security man.
Very determined.
Very, very determined.
Same with
so
you.
forward.
Very hardworking.
Yes.
Give me my flowers.
Give us our flowers.
I should be giving you flowers. Yes. That's not what I'm talking about.
What are you saying?
You people should tell them what you have been, hiding in the secret.
I don't know.
But make I tell you, I still be virgin. As you see me like this, man never even cross like this.
Me too.
I be pure virgin.
Even me.
You see this my promised land. Nobody don't cross.
Even me.
I no go area. You see they very tight.
Even me.
Very intact. And they save am for my future husband.
And
if he ask him go in go tell.
As you see me like this now, I am a rapture saint. You see this my federal government. Between God and man, I think you swear with that girl say, I never see any woman nakedness in my life before.
Both of you should shut up.
That's it.
Stop fooling yourselves. There's something you people are hiding. You need to tell us. Please talk now.
Sorry, myself.
Why should you answer me? I said you should confess. Say what you people are hiding in secrets. Confess.
No, confess.
Madam. Yes, madam. No, be serious, madam. Madam, Oga, I beg, make una no vex. We been the thief una food stuff, small. They save am. Yes. The one is and do our marriage.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, wait. What did I just hear? Marriage?
Yes.
Yes.
The two of you are planning to get married?
Yes.
Yes.
With una foodstuffs.
Titi, you. I trusted you.
Yes. The trust still there because now only food stuff I thief for the money.
We don't even only foodstuffs.
You're planning to get married.
Yes.
Yes.
With una foodstuffs.
Sorry. No vex. Now because say we be less privileged.
Yes.
Nobody to give up.
Yes. We'll be typical example of refugees.
Both of you need to be fired right now.
Hey!
You never reached Madam, I beg. Put your name for my head. Put your name, not my head. I beg, make una no vex. Na devil.
Na devil use me.
Stand up, make we beg. Make they see our face, say we dey sorry. Na devil use us. I beg.
Na devil use una.
I beg. Yes. No, I don't ask Mama take no. Anyways.
On behalf of my husband and myself,
I beg no talk that way. You want talk again?
we will support you too.
Yes. We will support you too.
Never happy.
Madam, I'm happy for the both of you. Congratulations.
You mean you forgive us. You forgive us, sir.
Congratulations to the both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. I don't know how you don't manage, no, but thank you. Oh no, yeah, everything don't cast.
Yes.
You good as you cast.
So the foodstuff go to this house, go rest.
Go rest. But we'll feed you the food stuff.
We'll some other stuff.
Only just let them be.
Thank you.
Just let them be.
We'll go plan our
You can enjoy
marriage.
the food stuff.
Thank you, sir.
Who you be?
My person.
Who be that?
My person. Who are you? How are you? I'm here to see your madam.
See my madam for what? Which madam?
I am here to see Mrs. Chidinma.
Mrs. Chidinma?
Yes.
Sure say you no be I assassin. We no get that kind of name here.
Is this place not number 1302 Zobono Street?
This place where you see here so na number 1302 Zobono Street. But we no get that kind of name inside here.
Please, I want to see Mrs. Chidinma, your madam.
Okay.
Can you just take me to her?
Oga, I don't tell you say we don't get anybody who they answer Chidinma for this very compound. You understand? My name Nangongo, the CSP of this whole building. We don't get such name here. If now our madam they ask for, her name na Emirad. And be her name, so we don't get Chidinma here.
Okay, fine. Please, can I see your madam? It's very important.
Wait here, make I go take authority from the
Thank you.
from the higher from the above.
Why are you shouting?
You get one man who stand for that gate. You say he wants to see.
He wants to see me.
Yes.
Bring him.
Who that man? Who that man? Who that man? Wait. They come. Go and stand there.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. You're looking for who?
My name is Mr. Samuel Wosu. I came here to confirm if the same woman you said that was here with you is the same woman we have in our metro.
What is wrong with you people? What's all this? You are in a wrong address.
Please, ma'am, is this the woman you're talking of?
This woman looks like my mother, but she is not. My mother is healthy and she's here. Ngongo,
Madam,
please bring my mother.
thank you so much, First Lady. For her room, I'll be inside she do.
No, please go.
Okay. I suspect this man.
Please, after today, we should not come here again. We shouldn't do this again, I beg.
What's going on here?
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. I am from St. Mary's Mortuary.
You in the museum? Mortuary?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing here? What is he doing here?
He said that they have a patient.
What are we put there for somebody from mortuary? Easy, madam.
Where is she now?
Grandma, no, they her room.
What do you mean by that? My mother just went inside.
No, they.
No, don't play with me.
I
don't know when I'm playing.
Mama. I don't understand. You're from mortuary?
Yes, sir.
Make a hold on. What are you doing here?
What's going on? My mother is not there. But she was here. She just went inside.
What's happening?
Wait. You mean to tell me that we've all been living with a ghost in this house?
Hey! What are you here just now? What are you here? My ear they pain me. What are you here? Hey! I talk am!
You talk what? You talk what?
No say so. Grandpa, she dey talk and say that woman na ghost. And they talk and sis, una no believe me. Now, shebi una don't believe me. You believe or you no believe? Say your mama na ghost. She dey talk and sis for this house.
No louder.
Which one be no louder?
What are you saying?
I dey talk and sis. Before I dey suspect say na witch. I go finally see and say na ghost. I use my spiritual eyes see am. Una no believe me. Now I don't see am. I talk am. Why talk am now?
Mama, please. I just came to identify who can come and claim your corpse.
Ha!
Oga.
Witch like that?
For the love he betrayed and the life he gave. You have shown me who you are. This is what greed can do. Say you have shown me how you are. This is what greed can do. Aquariri, Ochula Mobio. This is what greed can do. Aqua Makeko, Makeko. This is what greed can do.
The thing is coming from the other level. She's coming. She's coming.
In fact, you must love your wife. You must love and cherish her very, very well. That is what the Bible says. And I know your wife loves you. If you are chasing girls, stop it. Stop it.
Are you preaching to this one? He can never be born again, so don't bother yourself.
I thought you went to the market.
I did not go again. I came back.
So how was your stomach ache yesterday? Are you still feeling the pain?
I am fine. As you can see, I'm fine.
Okay. You know what? I should be going. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Would you?
Bye. Bye bye.
I cannot even believe the Bible. The Bible says I should love my wife. I should love myself, which you know very well that anything can happen. And look at you.
She's preaching the Bible to you, Abby. The word of. And what did you say?
Would you?
I want to talk to you. I think I owe you an apology.
For what?
For suspecting and accusing you of something that was not true. I thought I saw something, but I can now see I was wrong. So,
I understand. It's okay. I understand where you were so upset. You see, Uju, we all have our moments of doubt.
Thank you for your understanding. I shouldn't have allowed my emotions take the best of me. I shouldn't have jumped into conclusions without getting the facts right. I am sorry.
It's okay. It happens to all of us. And I'm happy you're willing to talk about it now.
I value our friendship so much. And I don't want anything to come between us. I promise. As from today, I'll trust you. And I'll not allow my insecurities cloud my judgment again.
That means a lot, Uju. I value our friendship too. And I want us to be very close. You know what? I will bring a fresh palm wine tomorrow so that we can renew our friendship, my friend.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I'll leave you. I'll allow you to go.
Okay.
So see you tomorrow now.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care.
I've been waiting long for you. Oh, yeah,
I know. My wife delayed me.
What does she want?
She was just asking money for food.
I hope you brought the money I asked you for.
Am I not stupid not to? How come let's go before someone sees us?
No, the money first.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh. You like money.
Yeah, give me. Wait, let me see.
Come.
So where are you rushing to?
What is it?
My name is Emecheta. I am the leader of the youth.
I know you. So, what can I do for you?
Sir,
you need to follow us and answer some questions.
Which question?
Just as
Follow
I
us
said.
and don't
Which
say
question?
anything.
Follow us calmly and do not resist them.
What have I done? Move!
I trusted you with all, gave my life to share.
Are you going to confess?
Or
Or we should take you to Ezekuru, our deity, before you confess.
Mokem, think twice before you answer. You know the repercussions if you swear.
Will you say something before I break your head? I did it.
I killed her. Remember, you killed my wife. Why?
How? I added extra poison in the drink I gave you to give your wife. But you told me it was only going to purge her. What did I do to you to deserve this? Who is that fine girl?
You don't know her? Her name is Anreka. Ekono's last daughter. You know, she came back last week from the city to stay with her father since she lost her mother.
Hey!
Yes.
Nah, this girl is sharp, very, very beautiful. But how come you have this information already?
Don't tell me you're already liking her. How many girlfriends do you have in this village and you're already liking this one?
Calm down. This one is as fresh as this palm wine I'm coming. Hello, Nai. How are you doing?
Good evening, sir.
Well done. What is your name?
Angoreka.
Oh, yeah, I know you are filled with happiness. I want to tell you with my full chest that you are very, very beautiful.
Thank you.
Don't mention, my sister, don't mention. And one more thing, I want us to, I want us to be boyfriend and girlfriend. I'm in water. Yeah, my spec, full spec.
Thank you, but no thanks.
Sir? I will get you. I will like you don't know me.
My friend, how did it go?
They play quite hard to get to. She's playing hard to get.
Are you serious? You know, I heard that she's well reserved. You know, it's not everybody you can get with all this your cute charm. Your cute charming smile. You cannot get everybody with that.
I can bet with my full chest that I can get that girl within the fortnight.
Oh yeah, better. Let me tell you, my friend, love cannot be won through tricks or these small tricks.
I will show you how it is done. I will show you how this tricks is being done. Let me see how she will reject me after buying her this wonderful clothes. Yeah, Dagon. You're my wife. It is me or nothing. It is me or nothing. No man for you, just me. I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, I'm all yours. You will marry me. It's me or nothing in this village. I'm like a alugonge. Happy married life. I'm like a wet on your mete sharp.
Why did you send for me?
It's fine now.
What is it?
I got you something very special.
What is this?
I got them for you to just show you how much you mean to me.
That's so thoughtful of you, but I can't accept them.
Sir? Why not?
I don't need them.
Eh? Why?
See, Onyemete, you're a very wonderful person, but I can't force myself to have feelings for you.
It's okay, I understand. I was thinking maybe you.
Onyemete, it's not about the gift, okay? I just need time to figure out my own feelings. That's all.
You are right. You have a point there. But at least still, okay, for the sake of friendship, accept these gifts from me because
Friendship.
Source of friendship.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Nothing more, nothing less.
Thank you. I appreciate your friendship. It means a lot to me. Thank you.
I will guess going now.
Friendship.
Friendship.
Bye-bye.
Ebono, I spoke with Amaneka and she told me she's not ready for any romantic involvement.
I thought that might be the case. Yes, I mean, maybe you should consider another approach.
Another approach, quoi?
Yes.
What do you suggest then?
Patience, my brother. Be patient and focus on building a strong relationship with her. So that with time, the love will grow naturally.
I think you're right. Maybe rushing into things with her wasn't the best idea.
Exactly.
It's just that I wanted her to be comfortable around me.
My friend, respect her feelings. That is women for you. Let her see the real you. And with time, you will see the love growing naturally. The bond will just form and it will be growing. Love is not something you should be rushing into.
Thank you, Ebon. I wonder what I would have done without you being my friend.
What are friends for? I mean, take time, relax. True love is not all about rushing things. Take your time, follow it step by step. And I'm sure at the end, you will win. You will get her.
I will use this strategy to work. Just be forming quiet.
It's a good man.
Nah, this up my mind. I love child.
Where go? Are you with money?
Even if you don't have money, buy on credit, but I have small money.
Yeah, you should have that.
Amonika, would you like to hang out with us? Just as friends. And if that makes you comfortable, Ebono can also join us.
That sounds nice. I think I like the idea.
We'll go to the village pond this afternoon. That place is always peaceful.
Okay. Thank you for considering my feelings.
It's nothing, Amonika. You know friendship is valuable. I just wanted to be at ease.
Okay. You say Ebony is coming with us?
I'll just go straight away and tell him now that you have agreed.
Okay.
Thank you. I will.
Right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, yeah?
My friend, don't worry, we'll be spending time off for these days.
Thank you so much for today. I had such a great fun.
It's nothing. You're welcome. You know, it's my pleasure spending time with both of you.
You're quite charming and funny.
What about me? Am I not forming and charming?
Of course you are charming, but Ebony has this unique charm, you know.
Okay. You know my friend, it's all for fun.
Yes,
well, you just went out to have fun now. It's just for fun. Don't worry, Anoleka is for you, you know. We just came to have fun. It's just fun. No problem, man. Come and sit down. See, I brought you out here so that we can talk. I want us to stop spending time together. I mean the three of us.
Why did you say that?
I noticed while we were outside that you felt a bit uncomfortable. You know, Anoleka was making advances towards me. And I don't want that to complicate things between us.
I didn't expect. I wasn't even expecting it. But you're right. I felt a bit uneasy.
My brother, I know you are really care for Amuleka. And I don't want anything to jeopardize your feelings for her. And that is why I'm making this suggestion. It's an advice. Come on, you.
I am grateful. Thank you so much for understanding.
You are my friend.
Thank you, at least.
Make woman no cause problem between two brothers.
There's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
The truth is that I like your friend Debono and not you.
Thank you for being so sincere with me, Amonika. Ebon is a true friend, and I can assure you he values our friendship over anything.
How can you be so sure?
I've known Ebon for a very long time. Our friendship is built on trust, respect and understanding. So I am quite sure he wouldn't jeopardize that for any romantic interest. His loyalty to our friendship is unshakable.
It's good to know because I don't want to come between you two.
It's fine, you don't have to worry about that. Our friendship can handle anything, including feelings for others.
Nimite, thanks for your understanding.
It's fine, it's fine.
I have to go now.
Sure. Bye. Ebono, Amonika. Something is not just right. Something isn't right.
Next.
Ebono, Amonika.
It's not what you think. I'm sorry. It's not what you think.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it to happen like this.
I didn't expect this. I thought you valued our friendship over this.
I do value our friendship. Believe me. I'm sorry.
Are we going to do?
With this man.
But he's angry.
He's not serious. Leave this guy like.
What are you two doing here?
I met my brother. Please, I didn't mean to betray you. But you know, feelings is something that is complicated.
I never wanted to come in between you two. I'm sorry. I didn't plan for this to happen.
It's okay, Amonika. You know, feelings are some things we can't predict. But it hurts anyways.
I didn't mean to hurt you, my brother. Please forgive us. We are sorry.
Well, I'll need some time to process all of this. Okay, I never expected it.
Oh, you can have all the time you need. I mean, our friendship means everything to me. Please forgive us.
I'm so sorry, Onyemete. I never meant to cause you harm. It just happened.
I know I will make her understand. I'll be fine, like I said. You both can leave now. I need some space.
Sorry.
please find it in your heart to forgive us.
Very, very.
I met my very good friend. You came back. I really appreciate for your understanding. I'm sorry.
Of course, Ebono, our friendship means a lot to me, and I want you to be happy.
Thank you so much. It means a great deal to me, my brother. I really appreciate it. You know, there's something I really want to share with you. Something really important.
And what is it?
Anulek and I have decided to take this our friendship to a greater level. We are getting married.
What? That's awesome news, Mike. Well, I'm so happy. Congratulations to both of you, honestly.
Are you sure?
Come on now. I'm happy for you guys, man.
You know, I wanted you to be the first person to hear about it because you have been a pillar of support to this friendship.
Honestly, I'm happy for you both. Amulika is lucky to have you, and you, my brother, I'm really happy for you. You have finally found your true happiness.
And I'm really lucky to have you as a friend. You know, you have shown true friendship by supporting us in our happiness.
Ebono, like I said earlier, our friendship means a lot to me, and this is what friendship is all about. Anytime, any day, I will always be there for you.
I am my very good friend.
When you are very wicked. When you are evil. You killed my wife because of what happened so many years ago? So many years ago, you were still carrying it in your heart. You,
Onyemete, if you have forgiven him all these years, why did you suddenly take revenge at this age?
Oh, you are my friend. Yeah. See, let me tell you this. I cast my mind back. You understand? And I kept asking myself, why in this world will you allow a woman like Amuleka to slip through your fingers? Anyway,
I guess I wasn't lucky.
You weren't lucky now. You weren't lucky. That is the only reason you will have a woman like Amuleka, and then you will leave her for another man. But I thank you. Because Amuleka is the best thing that happened in my life. I'm telling you.
I'm happy for both of you.
Yes. The important thing is that finally, you were actually lucky to find the one in our marriage. You understand? Yeah. But if you want me to tell you the truth, man, Amuleka is better than the one you married. Amuleka is better. You understand? That one that is better belongs to me.
She wore a smile so sweet, a love that seems so true, but secret behind her eyes, a darkness never knew. Whispers in the night, shadows of this.
Titi, where you go? Titi, where you go now?
I don't want this house again. I don't want it again. Wetin my eye dey see for this house, e big pass me. Make I dey alive comot before they go carry my corpse.
You wan leave the love of your life for here? Eh?
I don't know if you go gree follow me. Now make I know
if you carry my bag. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Titi.
She wore a smile so sweet, a love that seems so true, but secret hid behind her eyes, a darkness he never knew. Whispers in the night, shadows of deceit, a heart once bound by love, now broken at her feet. In the dead of night, she rises from the grave, a spirit of vengeance, no soul to save. A ghostly wail, a haunting serenade, for the love he betrayed and the life he gave. Oh, you have shown me who you are. This is what greed can do. Say you have shown me how you are. This is what greed can do. Aquarium, obio. This is what greed can do. Aqua magego. This is what greed can do. To share, never saw the sign